I don't know a shy. Boy, me show yeah, massive. Me know so no want to shy. See the look now, man, international beauty. We're from singing there's rising star me forward and enough, you know. You understand? Me I sing from 2000 and low so long. Me actually there when I Coxon that dead in a bump. Me Coxon that a voice when him dead in. And me eat from it song days from reggae. Yeah. Sometimes I feel so alone, baby. Hey, I called you on, but there's no one at home. Hey, a long time I wrote right so. I just easy. So do some different thing. You understand? You know who me not say? New contact. When I say, CG there, man. See, new contact. Yo, all the artists them not feel no way now. That's my wonder when we pick out the one and say, all I want, you know. Yeah. So yo, see it then, man. Superstar, new contact. What brings?
I tell them already. And then I brings the Brinks shop. I don't know walk by what they have on the Brinks HQ. I don't know a key of them. One dream, one team, hear that?
Left me say songwriter, son of man.
You text him but a one tick go through.
Yeah.
You know you made plus, you know Scooby-Doo. The boy him now have no time for you, man. Clone days done from 1902. Text the boy and tell him galang. Him find girl, tell him you find you, man. Post a pic, you don't know one
bad. Oh, you mean?
Yeah, so this is the Brinks crew. When you talk about Brinks, I'm gonna live with love and unity down here, so as I can see on Christmas this thing, yeah. Everybody know everybody song. You know, they get all confused because they
massive
don't know who do the song. Yes.
Oh, you mean? Figure that? Who that now? Yeah, see the official tour, you know. Oh, you mean? Massive see all of the artists. Yo, I could see what go on around.
And look what them in there was.
Whoa, bomb rush. Hey, figure that? Oh, you mean? Glory be to the Almighty. I wanna pray with you tonight now. Glory be to the Almighty. Lord, watch over us tonight. Protect my
Remember one time we grew up, usually the drum them a beat over.
Yeah, man.
Regular.
They say them a beat.
See them at home. Yeah.
Remember say, a phantom motion, my God. When I rise early this morning, I see Jah in front of me. Go again. Long as I live, bless Lord. You understand? So we're gonna link up with Kino Lifestyle tonight, and I'm here with Christmas List. But before I go, remember there's a video that hit 1 million views in when I walk from 3 Mile to downtown. I'm gonna meet one nice, beautiful girl. I'm massive. I'd be shocked if I don't show her. Look who's back. Shy Nicole. OMG massive. See her, I mean, up find her backing up. Who can pay me for this? You understand? So she changed her Instagram name for way. Tell you about the Instagram.
What's your name again? Miss Grippy.
Miss Grippy. They're gonna make sure I put it on the top of the screen this time and not the description. So we're gonna be chilling in Trenchtown tonight. You know, see what Trenchtown look like with Kino Lifestyle. Is gonna have a party down here. We're just gonna have a vibe. We're just gonna showcase what go on. But yeah, massive, it's a Christmas list over there, reason. But shy. I see why them boy red. Massive, you know, look. They look for beauty. Look for Jamaican beauty them, no man. Look, no man. Look na man. Oh, you mean the great Mr. Thompson is? You understand? Yeah. So see them
international.
O'Neil Thompson.
Yeah, Bigger Thompson.
Bigger Thompson, you understand? So
international.
you know we have a showcase for him business. You understand? One wine. You understand?
So check it out.
Yeah.
Rich.
Ah,
Yeah. Big up my brother there, Canada, Toffee, England.
See then no man.
Worldwide. Yeah, Thompson family, bless.
So Shy, big up somebody no man.
Big up the business.
Me always see her, they look a friend them on Instagram and say, oh yeah, shout
Me and
out.
big up God.
Alright, she said big up she and big up God. Oh, they drinking. That is it. Massive, when they see a lady roll out and a drink a dragon, you know. A serious business. You have to make sure say you're good. Hey, easy no man. So Massive, so I did a walk from 3 Mile to downtown Kingston, and I saw her and she was so sweet to talk to me and showcase her beauty on Jamaica walk by, and 1.8 million views, the persons love her. So all I wanna know, you can get a chance to see her back again. Accidentally we link up again and she's here. Me actually inside a trench town this time. Usually me did the weird out of the street. Now me actually in a trench town, so I promise to go on a full tour trench town. I'm gonna try to do it. I try to say I can do it by a weekend. I would just walk out trench town. You know trench town like that when you can walk and you show me a few ends or what. Then you have to go talk, you know. So I go talk to Shy of the ear. Here, PR place. So I want to walk out trench town, make you show me what I go and show me all over there. So the studio, you know, the park, you don't know. The thing is, I don't know a Shy. Boy, let me show you. Yeah, I know someone wants to Shy. See the look now man, the international beauty. Where else? Oh gosh, watch your thumbnail. Yeah, I say so. We soon come, you see me? They are going to kick it, you know, joke. So then turn Shy in the photographer. Yeah. So now turn Shy in a photographer. Christmas list. You say ready for Kino? Look more. Yeah man, trench town. Mr. Massive, I well want reason with Shy, but Shy just they are easy. So Shy, how long you there in a trench town for? How long you live here?
Oh, you must say serious though.
Yeah, I'm serious man. How long you live here? Shy says she there at trench town for 24 years. So a fear place. So Massive, want to tell me if I shame if I walk with in a trench town with, because I don't know if I can walk in a trench town by myself. I don't know which part to go. I don't know which part to turn off and which part to go. You understand? So Massive, here me I go beg on do now. Shy was the first girl on the channel where me I walk and stop and talk to and say, please me I beg you one 360. And you know so she did 360. I didn't even know what did in me if she said that. And she 360 and that video went to 1 million views walking from 3 Mile to downtown. So I want everybody come together and bless up Shy. You understand? I put her Instagram on the screen, so I want to bless her up. Right now, I reason with Shy. I see somebody just pull up on her and talk something about some house, so I go fast tonight. So it look like to when me, and sorry Shy, but I go chat. So to when me realize Shy did a look at house, like she did a look at apartment thing, and I build up on me here, she talk about cars and contractual cars and baiting. So listen, how she build. So she depend, you know the thing going to Jamaica. So anybody out there know want bless her up, see her and a man, a Jamaica walk by say that. You understand? I want to buy Shy a drink. You understand? Turn up her Instagram. You understand? See, Christmas is over this, I go easy. And we first I go fling in with donation to make sure say the girls get a better share deal than she go out there. Look for her, no man. We don't love her. We don't look for her and beg me say we showcase her and we hit 1 million views. So when you don't like what she do and she look better for herself, grow and get bigger things in her life, load up her Instagram right now. DMR, you know the chat go. Shy. 24 years she did a trench town and I go and hold it. Me ask her where she get the share from, so she get it from mommy. Yeah, come out. So we're gonna have a ball tonight. So I will chat you by one time, yeah right. So this is one I shop them we pass through.
Well, not really still, I come right this one.
I see ya.
Always stay by my block.
So chat your block there.
What street side?
Oh, that side over there so. So yeah,
I go on the road and
oh, because right that's our 5th Street.
yeah.
Oh, so them set you up. So like Bob Marley, when they talk about Bob Marley in a trench town, which part is normally hang out?
Columbus Road.
Columbus Road, that's how we down there, so?
Oh, first street, Columbus Road side, yeah, then the side there.
Oh, down there, so? Massive. So you see why a shy me have to go really far with the shy show me walk one. So we have to go make it a date so we not be late. And we make a walk through trench town.
Right.
See? Alright.
Put on walking shoes.
Put on your watch your crocs now, man. No, play now. Yeah, that is it. Don't joke. Yeah, man. So massive, we're there. So we're there with shy gonna make a walk and I'll go across. So she promised me say me I go get to walk trench town with her. We are gonna try to do it one of these days, Friday or so. So we're gonna walk with Shy. Well, I'm gonna look on them bikers here, so them are there. Alright, so Shy, I go over back to inside. So massive, we're gonna get a full tour out of Shy. We're gonna walk out trench road with Shy. And we're gonna show off Shy beauty. So what the Instagram again? I think some Grippy say, Miss Grippy. I'm gonna put it on the screen and we're gonna have an epic trench town tour with Shy. One of them there from a post. So massive, we are around that video, they got 5 million views. So we are moved from the 1 to 5 million. So I'm gonna go and go follow Shy on Instagram right now. Big up yourself and more love here.
Yeah, bye.
That is it. Bye. You go outside, Shy. Yeah. No joke. Trench town. It's a vibe. That is it. Oh, you know the talk. Big at that. How you mean? Yeah.
So I don't know what the plan is. Give my mind a break. From film. No, is it not today?
So let me say, if you know you come from another day, you know?
Come start.
Yes, sir. Yes. Okay. Yes. Here, my friend, Jamaica walk by. You guys haven't met yet?
I mean, I always see this man, I've never get a chance to see him. See that I'm in camera now, I have to show him.
He was ready.
I saw me have to catch him on camera. See that on Chris' phone.
He's only gonna see on camera. not in real life.
Never see him in a real life.
But how far are you from here? All right, we're here. It's no problem. But I have one question. Would you mind in the meantime if I have a little bit of Ray and Nephew? Is it okay?
Yeah. So massive, we're actually there in a trench town. Same way, and we are trying to link up with Kino Lifestyle. He's not here right now, but we wanted to have his party here with him, but unfortunately it's not gonna happen.
He's gonna come.
Yeah, but he's on his way coming, but there won't be the party tonight, I guess. Yeah. So we are walking through trench town. Ja. Christmas, this.
I thought I was here for the single ladies party, but there's no party today. What happened?
No, so them never tell us a single Wednesday not keep no more.
I'm
But
heartbroken.
Kino, no, you can't keep
Kino's gonna come, yeah. He's gonna come.
Let him soon come night.
This is my city right now. You know, that's Toronto.
Yeah, man.
Him soon come, man.
And the Ministry of Labour and Social Security is assuring Jamaican farm workers that there is a cadre of liaison officers assigned to safeguard their welfare. And now the details.
Yes.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness has announced plans for the government to embark on an all-island road rehabilitation program, acknowledging that members of the public have not been frustrated.
The moment Oceana ends this now.
The Prime Minister stated that the government
Oh, there's a G there. Yeah, man.
More from Prime Minister Holness.
Oh, so we have the bar, and we have like wholesale liquor. And me say look like she do some, she sell cleaning agent to and them thing there. Yeah, why Trent Sound just look like it always a kid. You see me? Yeah, no joke. It look like a straight vibe. I'm actually I come do a full tour in Jamaica with down at Trenchtown, you know. So I try it maybe this Friday or so. Yeah. So I probably walk on and enter this at 3rd Street. Yeah. So I actually want to do a little tour in the entire Trenchtown. So probably I walk from the front, come the side, I link up with Kino. And up everywhere. You know, want to get some, yeah, anyway. So want to link up with a couple of artists, one over the artists them there. Who want to get them, yeah, crazy. J Prince. See, so all of them would want to link up with them and thing. You understand? See there? Even snack, everything I go on the corner here, so. You understand? Yeah, no joke thing. I love how Trenchtown set up, we just like it always a keep. Yes, massive how easy, big up every time now man. Look now man, look which part me at now. Look which part me there now man. You see all of that? Welcome to Trenchtown, birthplace of reggae. Alright, so massive right about now, I stand up right on the corner of Trenchtown. And we're there right at Spanish Town Road. Look now man, the road the way I see, Spanish Town Road. And we're there, so we're going to show you a natural tour of Trenchtown. We're going to show you what Trenchtown look like in a 2023. And when I say 2023, I mean it recent. So it's nearby. You understand? But right now, that tour is not possible without a brother. I'm going to tell you about an ex-YouTuber. I'm going to tell you about a G9 place. Him named Kino Life in Jamaica on YouTube. So I'm sending you right now. So everybody want to know about that youth there, make sure so you go check out Kino Life in Jamaica. You go see it in the description. So you go follow him, go subscribe. And them man say them help out the people. Them man say them make sure say the peace of the go on and the peace of the keep. So right now I have a YouTube channel and we call up on that video and we're going to show exactly what Trenchtown look like. The vibe, the people, them, the place nice, the place I go on, the place epic. So no found when you know how Trenchtown look. This is how it look. Watch the video here. So right now I'm going to introduce Kino. You understand? Look now man.
Look now man, you know it's Kino. You know it's Kino Life in Jamaica with the Dream Team. So we have some of the members in there. One team, Dream Team. And you know we're there to the greatness same way in Trenchtown. And we link up with the walk by. And we're going to walk by and talk by.
That is it.
We even fly by. And now we're going to walk by, you know. And we just highlight the people them of Trenchtown, as them say in 2023. You know, because you know I love and peace and unity we are dealing with now. You understand? So no more. Aye, blessed. Aye, walk by.
Outside.
So you know, say nothing about love, so we are showing them the unity and the love we are going on Trenchtown. Plus, we have some talent as well where we're going to highlight. You know, thing go. So you know, a Kino Life in Jamaica.
Well, I'm going to cut him, I'm going to catch him. One walk by. Say General, I say one Jamaica walk. Big up yourself, my G. See it then, man, traffic. Are you on the traffic right here now? Are you on the traffic right here now? Big up yourself, my bro. So yeah, massive. So we're not without further delay. Look on the crew now, man. So the Dream Team is outside and we're going to walk through Trenchtown easily. Alright, in the evening. I'll be here traffic. Watch all the police over there, son, man. They might watch you and go and see them way. So we're going to show you Trenchtown in a 2023. You heard? Watch now, man.
You know what is that?
So massive Trenchtown. You understand? Today is actually a Friday. No joke. So Kino Lifestyle and a theme place. Kino Life in Jamaica. Massive when you hear me say Kino Lifestyle, many people call him that. I don't know why, but first time I have to search him. Yeah. I couldn't find him by Kino Life in Jamaica. But when I type in Kino Lifestyle, see him? Yeah. See him there? So I feel like if you use it as your hashtag and when your slogan, you know. But I get to realize that you're big of a Dream Team.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah, Dream Team is a whole team away, you know.
See it then, man.
20 plus away.
See it then, man.
Even them man I can't tell about the goodness of going away.
See it there now, man.
The community scene.
Yeah, man. One love, man. You see it?
Yeah. What the man
Asian,
name?
man.
Asian, man.
Asian, man.
No, man. Asian.
Oh, Asian, the far Asian.
Yes,
Oh,
yes,
you one of the Asian to that.
Yeah.
That is
Of
it.
them, you see it?
Yeah, my bro. So
Yeah,
the man name?
More love, man. Light, man.
Light, big up light. You see me I say?
Yeah, man. I'm more love, man.
Yeah. See that
Good
man.
work. Where I do, me love where I do. You see what I say?
Yeah.
I love where the whole house now do.
Figure that.
Yeah,
What
man.
you mean?
I just one team, you know.
One dream.
No, not dream. One love. One team and just love.
See that
yeah,
man.
man. Love we say, man. One team that, you know.
Fire!
Yeah,
me see a while ago with the big dream team for your shirt, you know. I'm gonna catch it, you know. Yeah. See it there, now, man. Look now, man. Watch it chat now, man. See it there? How easy. That is it, fire. Right now. How this? Last night him look like a big man. Today me see him roll out, him look like a little boy. Me never realize him.
That's the electrician for the team.
That's the
The
electrician.
electrician and the team. I know I have Rasta Messi, you have Light Parks.
Light Parks, you singer?
Sacrifice trade, them are everything.
Yeah.
You know,
See that man?
chef, you know.
Yeah,
With 2 hard, not
Kino,
1
I'm
hard.
a general, you know.
Yeah.
From my father, he might be a reason, you know. Oh, you mean?
I know we have Mother Teresa. So yeah, Mother Teresa, you know what that mean already.
Yeah, the real big man.
Yeah.
That is
And you
it.
have Esther.
Esther Bobby Bar.
Esther, my schoolmate. I mean,
So,
think a joke
don't
thing.
have to say much. You know what I'm saying?
I
And
mean-
everybody there here, some of the team, them up on the road and everything. So we are giving a preview.
Yeah, I wish to
Everything.
learn this.
So this is a Columbus Road.
It's a Columbus road.
The first street entering from Spanish Town Road. You
Yeah.
know, so this is where it starts from. But they never call it first street, they call it Columbus Road.
Columbus
you know?
Road.
And them say Bob Marley Street is the first street. So this is
Oh.
the first, this is the street you turn on Spanish Town Road, you know?
That
So you know
is
this is
it.
different.
Yeah. Alright, so.
Here is where the talent is.
Uh-huh.
Christmas list video. This is where the artists can come up.
Yeah.
Where them from.
Alright, so can we walk like from this side and
Yeah, gonna meet the wall them right there, so.
I make a go through yes.
The wall of them, you know, so. This is the street of the wall of them. Bar,
Oh,
the
yeah,
studio
man.
is one brings.
One brings.
Yeah, one brings music, so you know, so yes, a famous spot, you know.
Yeah.
As the way me and again say, brings boy say.
See it there, man.
As a brings boy say, it's not the brings truck,
And every
you know. No, but a brings.
yeah, outside by bro.
General, you know.
See it.
So you know, original
Start
start
time.
You know, sound system is not the place, you know, start time.
Ja,
You know,
ja.
big sound. You know, them places when they have only for string up backs and them things are really going again. You know,
Yeah.
some Bluetooth thing around the place right now, you know. See,
Watch it now, man.
these are the youth them see me. I'm bad.
I'm a ball out.
You're good man. But bad at that way, you know.
Baller.
Yeah.
Baller, come give out the Instagram now, man.
My baller.
Like the soccer fans, them follow you, now, man. Sit out, trick, two, flip. I'm afraid that I'm ball out.
Tell them.
I'm a ball out. I'm a ball out. Pretty girl, why me now come big up your place? Now afraid of that camera. Come turn up your Instagram now.
Now it again.
You know the Instagram.
My bad. So
Alright.
music crew then. Yes, you're fine.
That song that we are playing, I would at a 450 that. That I go kill me, kill the audio. Yeah. Watch your G them now, man. I don't know the copyright. Yeah. Oh, you mean? Oh, you mean?
Yeah, so this is the Brings crew. When you talk about Brings, I'm gonna live with love and unity down here. So, as I can see on Christmas this thing,
Yeah.
everybody know everybody song. You know, they get all confused because they
Massive.
don't know who do the song.
I say, I'm not supposed to watch the video and see what I go on. I'm not joke thing, you get confused.
Them unit a long time that can't stay. So
I mean, so right, that's up on the block.
Yeah.
Columbus Street.
So I mean that you
mean-
need to come in and come chill out a lot, you know?
On that side there.
Yeah. And so we have a baller. A baller that play for Boys Town, you know? Great
But
talent.
come in a baller.
At the baller, yeah.
What you mean? You don't know, give out the Instagram no man. Make the people them follow you no man. See two tricks, two things no man. How the gram go?
A white porter man on the gram man, you see?
See then no man, baller. Watch him no man.
Yeah.
Watch him step no man, millions worth of foot. I want to no man, a millions worth of foot. No play no youth.
Yeah, so
I want to no.
know.
Yeah.
Where the artists them locate.
Millions and billions worth of artists. Columbus Road.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, that's what I like for and time to correct me now. Godfather, big up yourself, no man, elbow bungs, no man. Oh, yeah, I mean, that's a nice good sister. Are your sister in that?
In that.
Hey, I say I'm going good, you know. Big up yourself, pretty girl. Yeah, that is it. I mean, Columbus Road. Yeah, even. What? My bro, what go on? That is it. Brings music. Oh, you mean? Figure that? Who that now? See the official tour, you know. Oh, you mean? Massive see all of the artists. Yo, I could see what go on around.
And look what them in there was.
Whoa, Bambrush. Hey, figure that? What you mean? See, so you sound now go and chop the beats them. One brings music. Oh, you mean? Yes, so the work a drop. Now one day everybody know everybody song. When a song by someone just sit down and just go and listen. Yeah. See how we normally have my little setup, see how we have my laptop, my TV, my chair. The only thing is I mean sit down on the mic and do everything myself.
Oh, that's how we start from.
Yeah. So it's at the voicing booth, right? That's how to do it too? Oh, so you know, how you mean? Nice. What thing? Hey, see a bloke, cool. Woo!
Yeah, man, I want to big up
outside
Marley production for that one day, you know?
Yeah,
big up Marley, Ziggy Marley, straight up, man.
Yeah, man, they sponsor the AC.
Yes, man. Jesse and blow like England freeze.
Yeah. But bro, just to refresh your Instagram again, because I know we always have to talk about the link. Yeah.
Alright, so a 40 brings a talk too. No? For find me on Instagram, a 40_brings. On YouTube, a 40 brings music. That on any other platform, I just 40 brings. Easy 1 3.
See then, man.
Yeah,
my bro.
Them man, you know, them man just cool.
Just easy.
Believe in our game, man. Brings for life, man.
See
that's how you operate the camera movements.
Yeah.
Video and know so I cool life.
Oh, so I am the man behind the video them?
Yeah, like we do some background run.
Yeah.
Them man catch the
B-roll them and all them things. They see it then, man.
Out the road.
They give out the Instagram.
Brings. Cole brings.
That is it.
Believe in our game, man.
Believe in our game, no man. Yo, be rated by them talk.
I say you are one space kid there, man. I represent for Jamaica walk by. Oh, they up on the one brings a light.
See them, man. Boy, I'm wishing all the best and success dead, you know. If you just go and put in the work, see him, you know.
Never.
Are you an engineer?
No, a genius, you know.
Man. When there? So I just, so yeah, but when I tell me about bad man, you're an artist, though.
Yeah, everything, man.
Bother with that, you know.
That's how we name genius, man.
Yo, I in. See them, man. Me have your gram right, get out again.
1G, you can search for ingenious_brings and we represent for Walk by TV, you know the thing.
See, then man, big up every time, my bro. Brother, the love is real down here. So, hi, pretty girl. Mama, big up yourself. What you mean? I supposed to she know who I sang them?
Everything.
Because I sang voice and she that's good at them and say, oh, yeah, take out the line there, put in the line there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Big up yourself, no man. See, then we're outside.
That is it.
Oh, you mean? You must have know so we're not down here, Tina. Yeah. See, then I'm at one first wall. One brings music. Oh, you mean?
When you say that, you say one brings music and one family.
You mean? Nice piece of ends. I walk one over there, so now. Hold on. We can't check out what go on. I hope on that you're afraid. I want to see she and catch, you know. Because they have to eat, you know. Alright, pretty girl, peace. That's it. What you say? Look like me and say, what? I want to that look like a hot dog.
Everything.
Hot dog, bread, the pepper. So we have in this, hot dog a boil?
Fries.
Fries? Boom! On the Friday, yeah. So we can come around and say, for my local fries on thing. One way you go with the fries?
Nuggets, I'll have sachets. We have hot dog.
Yeah, right on the corner ends. Snow cone. Oh, you mean? So, you have gram? You have Instagram?
Yeah.
Give a ton of blood.
No, not a business Instagram, personal.
Yeah, man, yes, man. Give the Instagram a person want to give a yell and big you up and say, "Ray, me love how you do, me like how you turn up your local business." If a person see all the fryer and probably say, "No, say me have one bigger size fryer, I want to send it come give you, you know a chop going on." See, then, man.
Instagram, she is Sharona.
Management.
Oh, you got Sharona?
She is Sharona.
Oh, she is Sharona.
Management.
Big up yourself, you come out. Yeah, you see? Look how much kids surround her. They were wait. Oh, you mean? No joke. Take it. Great genius. How you mean? Are the man?
That is it, man.
Show them the man. How you mean? Columbus Road. I must bus road.
I must bus.
Combat.
Talent must bus.
Brinks.
I must bus.
The amount of people is supposed to know about it, but you see, by the time me start drop all my video, I mean, not drop none of the video them yet, you know. Oh, me not drop none of my video them. So,
It is fine. We have punished going work for the pass the fire station and the first left turn in reach.
yeah. So, I do studio time and thing, like if an artist bought the place one voice, how much is studio time?
Well, right now, you know, city artists are just like 1,015 bills, depends on them quality and, you know.
Yeah.
The type of work I'm going to put in with them. Outer work artists are 2,000 up.
An hour.
Yeah,
Yeah, man, how you mean?
Go hard, you know?
See there, so much if you want vice, you probably have 2 ads artists where both the street have them dub plate, them want to deal with. You can come and so come link up, man. I just $2 grand an hour. You understand? Trust me, I don't know one studio right now where I get them sweet quality of $2 grand an hour.
Artist and him have talent and him now have $2 grand. You can give him all 15 bills.
See then? Easily. You understand? So me rate that. Me rate that. You see that local youth here?
I would mix it.
Well, you see him? He remind me of one virgin when used to have with me I got stats. Every time I see him, I'm mad to call him name and I realize that nah man, I can't even couldn't lick see him way. He couldn't see him way. So yeah, we are going through. I don't know later on again. Maybe we'll fall upon the black here. Come go on easy and hold back and fight somewhere. But the video you show them exactly what Trenchtown look like walking. You understand? First me I go and walk out so it's a vibe already, you understand? Oh you mean?
They represent all the time.
Oh you mean?
Walk by Jamaica.
That elbow bumps man big up every time. Genius, we're so forward.
That is it, man.
Yeah. Oh you mean? Clarks pan feet massive. You can't be an artist, you don't have Clarks now. You have a Clarks. Oh you mean? The Affy is a must, it's an image, you know. You understand? It have a proud of the game, cut off foot pants and Clarks, bro. As an artist, you have to know the chap, know the style. You see? What you mean? See it then, man. Eh. Kino. Good day, Jado Star. Brinks. Watch your energy now, man. Watch your energy. Watch your energy. Watch your electrician. So massive. What me realize in a Trenchtown, it's all about more of a unity side. And I can't really watch on a ear out a road and thing. Because so far this is the only community me been in where me have video and everybody like roll out and I say one thing. You understand? Artists, see all the next one that all of them tear up the blouse and skirt video. You understand? You know who me not say? You know who me not say? New contact. When I say, CG there man. See, new contact. Yo, all the artists them not feel no way now. That's my one that when we pick out the one and say, all that one there, you know. Yeah. So yo, see then man. Superstar, new contact. What brings?
I tell them already. And then that brings the Brinks shop. You don't know walk by what they have on the Brinks HQ. You don't know key of them. One
that
dream, one
is
team.
it.
You hear that?
Left me say songwriter, son of man.
You text him but a one tick go through.
Yeah.
You know you made plus, you know Scooby-Doo. The boy him now have no time for you, man. Clone days done from 1902. Text the boy and tell him galang. Him fine girl tell him you fine you man. Post a pic, you don't know one brings.
Bad. What brings? Any others brings a brings truck. Man, Kida, come in. We soon circle again. Yeah. Yeah, we can take it on the main and should be in again. Yeah. Close her skirt. But my pretty girl, watch her share her face now. No bother with that now, man. Eh? Your ball. You go on. You better run go in, you know, because the camera go turn again, you know. Go here run. What do you mean? See the massive, it's a vibe. And a joke, a unity. Watch him on them, man. Crazy people and brinks. One brinks. What do you mean? See that, man. Don't lock him up, don't lock him up.
No, chicken. No.
The Moss Boss.
Moss Boss Road. Not Columbus Road.
I Moss Boss Road.
Boss Road. Not Columbus Road anymore. It said
I Moss Boss Road.
So all we used to remember the name of Columbus Road, no it changed. The I Moss Boss Road. Says the over the Moss Boss.
Pretty girl. The G then sent me big you up right away, so let me see her there. What's she there? Alright, see that? Big up yourself, my friend. Hold on there, man. See her there, them something big her up. Big up yourself. What's my name?
Nadine.
Nadine, big up Nadine, no, man. Who that over there? Playing the game.
Melody.
Melanie?
Melody.
Melody.
Yeah.
A Melody name a singer, you know?
Yeah.
See that, no, man.
I sing a note.
See
Save our life.
Alright, big up yourself, yeah?
Yeah, alright. Every time you're doing a good thing.
Yeah, man, that is it. We can't stop. See it there. Figure that. A trench town me there. When you ask me where me there? Trench town me there. Look now, man. How this a walk in a trench town? We are walking a Kino Life in Jamaica. Remember, I'm go follow the YouTube channels in. So as we walk through Trench Town, we catch all of the happenings. No joke. Big up my bro.
Yeah, just with that.
That is it. Yeah. Oh, you mean?
Yeah, so as you can see, it's a First Street now we are working.
First Street.
Bob Marley Street. First Street.
Alright, I'm not going to talk until we pass here, so I'm going to cut out the audio. I know the copyright go. So I'm just go. You can just point for everything like normal, because I probably not use the audio. Maybe not catch. Maybe not catch.
Original man, that place.
Man, respect my bro. That is it. Big up Godfather for your seed. Elbow box, the man. How you mean? Watch him glasses, no man. Yeah.
And you have a culture yard now.
Culture yard.
I think you're looking at culture yard.
Never. You think we can go over there?
Of course.
Alright.
We'll show you how to go over the culture yard.
Me. See then, man. Another whole seal. Yeah, food off eat. I mean, see then.
Yeah.
Right for the Enza. Watch the Enza, man. Yeah. culture. So yes, so Bob Marley used to live.
Yeah. It's a great stone man. Great stone man.
Yes, stone man.
Yeah.
Mad respect, brother.
Yes,
See,
stone man can read a lot of things in stone.
Jaja no.
Can take up a stone and tell you what the stone means.
Great man.
Yeah.
Can take up a stone and tell you. But alright, that's now. So this used to be like Bob Marley house.
Come now.
Come.
Alright.
Jaja no.
Bob Marley house when I said over there.
Yeah, look up on this. This is so cool. Look on this, man.
So all tourists come from all over the world. All over the world. And you see the Bob Marley famous bus here.
Jaja no. Watch this. What them know about this?
That's how Bob used to drive himself. Bob Marley bus.
Massive and no joke thing this man. Who ever see Bob Marley? But hold on, I can't walk in.
Yeah, man.
I mean, I'm Bob a drive.
Yeah.
Drive, Bob. Blows and skirt. Watch a feel, man.
Yeah, know it.
Eh? Watch a feel, man. Right now, me and Bob Marley are rolling. Look now, man. We say trench town now, man. Where doctor there? Wanna move? I mean, that is it. Jaja no. Watch it now, man.
See, you have a great stone man that can get a lot of history.
Storm, see, watch out, man. Yeah, man, we live.
We're talking about the love there, yeah?
Jaja no.
See, the thing with him, I love you when I work with that, yeah?
Yeah. Talk to him, we work with that one now.
This one I said to Esther.
This is set to her.
Esther, I love of your loves at all times. If not, I love one love. The way we walk is right forward. People who walk left, right, and say I love you, that's the commercial world.
Commercial world.
That's why Bob Marley sing about one love, one heart. Let's get together, feel alright. You see that? Esther, post a post for them now. Post a post for them, Esther. You see that?
Easy,
so we address our woman, the highest level. No, I love you, thing no work around and say, here.
Well said.
It's 9/11, look upon this. You see 9/11 upon it? See the 9 there?
Mm-hmm, yeah.
See 11 there?
Yeah.
On my birthday, that's in a stone.
Yeah, man, then, you know.
9/11.
9/11 in the US.
World prophecy.
Aye. We celebrated our Ethiopian New Year celebration every year annually.
Jano.
We give thanks and praise to the Most High to the highest level as Ethiopians. So this community represents Ethiopia, little Ethiopia, and at the HQ for Yasso. Yasso represents singers, players of instruments that fulfill within the Holy Bible. No other community has fulfilled that like what written on the rock. Whether you're a big fish or you're a sprat, don't turn your back against that. Say from the king of Trenchtown, the king of reggae, say that to everyone because they know what written on the rock at this time. For the new race and for the new nation.
King.
See that?
That is it. Well said, my bro. Appreciated, man. Me I tell you. Look on the place now, man.
Yeah, 9/11 this. 9/11 day. Rising of the sun there.
My earth son.
Let me give thanks to the eye for the Most High. Never see
yes, man. Jano.
Quite surprised how the thing changed rapidly. You know, come like yo, the way the man harmonize walk by, come like so the man in a choir years.
That them?
Yeah. The man them know everybody's song and everywhere you can go in.
But me tell them I talk about it from the man them a DJ, me get confused. And I say, boy, I don't even know who sing what.
Wow, boy, I go run studios and I tell you, sir, I'm gonna play a man song and I'm gonna sit down.
And look, they don't even know what go on.
They don't know what go on. Them there for days and weeks.
I just the process, man, because sometimes we write the music, and if I me write it, and not me alone I write it.
Yeah.
All of the day party, and I will write it. Because I remember in the music, not just
line for line and lyrics.
As we must say, an inspiration.
But you the virgin comes to this man.
Yeah.
You want to hear the man who comes to me, Stone Man. It's the drum them, the Naya Bingy drum them we want to repair. You don't want them for repair, you know. You the man them say them want though. Them want to bring back the old time tradition where them use the greater and the far for bringing back the percussion vibration.
I can't wait.
And them thing that the youth them just a reason we die about the day when I clean up over park over there so for bringing the music and bringing the blame and bringing the trench town attitude.
Stone man, that's why I stop singing. Come here and say if me not get my type of vibe in my music, me just leave it give them, you know?
I say the youth them want though. Repair the drum them with bust
real thing. Bob no.
I hear him talk about music. It's a fear behind Vendetta himself, you know. You know, Alkaline himself, this, you know. You know, I think I know when me used to hear the voice, me used to think say, yeah, me used to think say Alkaline. You know, remember one time Alkaline just a boss, but you see one another voice. And people say, yo, that sound like Alkaline, but if he never revealed himself, who would know what's an Alkaline? And the man is himself, you know, in this behind everything, you know what I mean?
From singing, be as rising star me forward and nothing, you understand? I sing from 2000 and, you know what's so long? Me actually there when I Coxon that dead in a box. Me Coxon that a voice when him dead in. And me eat from each song days from reggae. Yeah. Sometimes I feel so alone, baby. Hey, I called you on, but there's no one at home. Hey, a long time I run right, so I just easy. I do some different thing. And I go and make use. Cause to be honest with you, my type of music where me personally sit down and grew up and time change. You understand? New youth now do for them new things and dating. So I idea you hear what Carter say when time film time come for ease up off a chair but ease up. So you understand? Same like how the man if he did it when time Carter say, oh, in America can I no? A film time no.
Yeah.
So I phone the time, I take it. You understand? I run road.
But you still have to go vice, you know. Yeah, man. You know, cause once you say one brings music, you have to go vice.
It's music, yeah.
You see me? It never gone.
I want them to touch back again and come again. I see the evil men preparing of them weapon, but the light is shining, covering from Zion. They shall fade away. Yeah. Enough people not even know say I be sing the song because when we drop my song, they don't say, yeah, I be here song I beat up a whole place, man. I say, yeah, man, they don't say, now do some more songs. Wait, I say, cuss with him from years ago, I take it up and I'll jump on it. So, yeah.
Talent and talent, man.
Talent there,
for the time, my bro, for the time. Genius time. What brings music time? Yeah. What me say, my bro? Oh, you mean? Yeah, man, and I have it take it right now. This me I do for showcase on out to the world. Me never get this, you know. So, if me can do it now, me used to have to beg people for share one thing for me and years me still can't see it cheer. Big up to Akam. Akam I only blouse and skirt man we used to post my tune them. And when my song bust off of Akam, I say everybody start. So it just take one. You see my bro?
That is it.
See him so. Culture yard. Man go for the hey! Easy.
Original.
Easy.
Repair what the musical drum.
Want to send them on the original drum for repair forward.
Goat skin this?
Yeah.
Really goat skin, man.
I don't want this side and go on where we they have stuff for and they want the rest of them for repair. You see? Bring out the music.
Original.
That is it. Original.
Remember one time we grew up, usually the drum them a beat over.
Yeah, man.
Regular.
They say them a beat.
See them home. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Remember say, Phantom Motion, my God. When I early this morning, I see Jah in front of me. Go again. Just that enough. Just that enough, famo. I'm Mr. Egyptian card again, to you know. Where Egyptian big tune going on. These are some serious stuff. Alright, so don't play with the kitty. You can't stay there. Imagine, me can tell you this straight up now. Somebody come out, see him positive, we understand, give that 1, 2, the same way. Positive, funny, same way.
Yeah, full up.
Yeah, man.
Gone. Sit down and get all the idea. Just that alone, go put in a studio right now and start knock two of them. Doom, doom.
Them up, man. As the machine said, the aim of fit them up.
Judge, no.
Yeah.
How you mean? Hey, that look
Yeah, them a beat.
that look at the 1, 2, knock the pan, you have a vibe, you know?
Yeah, boys, man.
Make you want to move.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How you mean, chef? So over here, so now, what me I realize, so.
You're saying about you, why kind of lock up.
So tell me about the look of structure now. I realize it look like, me see building right round and thing, or them just recreate the thing.
See government yard in a 20 a year Bob Marley sing about.
Yeah.
This.
So basically the whole family just the right round.
And the whole thing, you know, the whole thing represent. Because you have the S block and you have the U block. These are the U block. Stone Spalding are the man who come and start the political uprising in Trenchtown. And them come for destroy the U block. By
U
5th
block.
Street, 6th Street, 7th Street, from West Road to Cali Smith Drive. All them houses they were demolished. People never have nowhere to go. That's why the man sing about Cool Brown be our bed and Rockstone be our pillar.
Teach them.
One to listen that. And we take it with love, take it with joy, and take it with smile and write music.
See him so.
And live up until today.
So that's why the key now. This one nice to go yeah, we go see what going on and stuff.
Run so then keep stuff as well, the events. You know, events people and so. And a lot of stuff, and we go to the artwork when I say, so you see everything.
Beautiful, man.
You see them ambience there when you run yourself. It's just a beauty to see what I go on. So you see him drum there.
See one love side where you just less up. When country people and leave from country come at town, the first place them not come at Trenchtown. Then I ride on a bus called Black Star Liner. Bob sing about the Black Star Liner and use word of Marcus Garvey and use words of Haile Selassie within his song to govern the temple of Trenchtown. So when one hear about Trenchtown, Trenchtown is not a normal town. Trenchtown is one of the leading towns in the world. See? Trenchtown know of his history.
See, same thing there again. One pot are going to feed people, everything. See, then
George who look about the Carmel porridge, keep the lagoon burning through the night. Say, see, we don't know where I come from.
Said speed.
You see it?
On this massive.
Boys Town and I have Bingy Crew. My partner and I have Bingy Crew. See, Boys Town over there, sir.
Yo, the thing that make me never want to walk, funny. Watch no man. Boys Town. Cricket, football and thing I play. See the art symbol there.
No woman, no cry. No kite a fly.
See it then, man. Culture yard.
So you can feel the energy, you can feel the vibe.
Yeah, man.
History.
So Bob Chuck there, man.
Yeah, man,
Alright. Yeah. Oh, see credits, yeah.
That's some of you from Tennessee will come forward to the student. Very friendly with us here. So them are the one we have and them work together within the community. So we left them you over there, so you see.
Yeah, that is it.
That we are very friendly, ego friendly. That is we in Trenchtown. Not
Love
just
it.
for ourselves, but we exchange that knowledge and exchange that culture. Teach the one them how to walk and teach them how to thy statue and teach them how to catch thy feet against a stone. Spiritually, physically,
See,
That's
them
why we
man.
have many brinks. We want one to know what the brinks is all about. It's all about knowledge, not about money.
Yeah, then say any other brinks a brinks truck. Hey, you mean? Yeah, the vibe nice. Any of these brinks a brinks truck. So clearly, I never the brinks truck them I talk about.
I say man, the brinks truck, the brinks is not just a lot. We're not talking about just money, but we're full and rich with knowledge.
Knowledge. Yeah. See,
it's all about knowledge within the brinks, you know what I mean? We have the knowledge, we have the brinks, we don't afraid to give them patwa. We drink plenty pot water, so we know if we give them in a patwa. Promote a patwa, bring forth English and bring forth many lyrics and come to I. Bring forth Spanish, bring forth Swahili, bring forth Amrit and bring forth Rasta. When them a go do fi stop the mini brinks, we tell them say we have the knowledge and we not afraid to give them. If they listen to the young rising one, them know how to walk and them know how to talk. How them walk? Ride forward every day. Them post it and deliver it the way we wanted. Thank you, more.
That is it, man.
Original.
Oh, original stone, man. Big up every time. Yo, everywhere the man they just look like some big artists, man. Yo, yo. Oh, the man them just look, yo. Yeah. See that, man? Outside.
We're not big enough for it.
Great stone, man.
Youth them on the rise.
Youth them on the rise, yeah.
I mean, I feel them time.
Nothing can stop them.
See the massive culture yard. Man. Bob Marley yard.
Woman and bread.
So we're outside in the street again. Kino, we can make a walk. Which walk? We can. Is it a, we can go up on the front this again. Cause Mr. John, when name Mr. A shop there at the front. When name Mr. Johnson up on 5th Street.
Wait, up on 5th Street that.
You're right. When name Mr. Johnson here when me and Chris they stop.
Oh,
yeah.
Yes. You have T-shirt, that guy, everything comes out of Walton. And the great batsman, that is Smith.
So what the cheer for on the road now?
On the patch road.
Oh, so
Yeah.
oh, water normally night is splash up.
Yeah.
Okay, I got you.
That shit, man.
Yeah. Oh, it fly straight on the bench.
Yeah, man.
Oh, shoot.
That's a pure shit right there.
Okay. Yes, sir. What? Where's the food on the corner? Where am I shopping there? Like a little look now, man. Because see what going in the pot, them, man. Oh gosh, man. I will chop it up.
Pebbles.
Let me soup up on the corner, go and kick it back. You know, so watch see the vibe.
Come, Pepper.
Yeah.
It's Pebbles. Let me say the word. It's a soap.
She afraid of the camera?
She works.
See fear stop here.
Like yesterday?
One stop wholesale. He open at the ear, Miss Pebbles run gone.
Come show the pot. Nah, show your face.
Nah, show your face. Just want to see you all go on that pot on the corner.
Like yesterday?
Miss Pebbles said no camera. So massive right in that trench town. You see me? One stop wholesale right on the front there so. Before we reach 2nd Street. Alright, come in, make it straight.
But Pebbles not like camera.
What you buy cause them?
See the man, see. Long time ball is too as well too. You know,
it don't look like long time baller.
As well too.
See then a man, big up now my bro.
Every straight. And a Holly this and a Haddy, Holly.
We just borrow the laugh.
Give me laugh. Give me laugh.
Yeah.
We just borrow the laugh, because cartel give you. You get me?
I true man, not true.
One team man, it not change. I don't more time I don't see weather change.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That say one team at the dream team.
One team at the dream team, not change. One key, you get me?
See that one, the unity is real.
Brother and me apart, man. Them liquor store over here, so we have to do the right, you know?
Baller.
The right from 6th Street.
6th Street.
Baby, I want to make it, man.
What? So we don't forgot. So
Yeah,
about 6th Street now, that different city itself, you know, like
About 6th Street.
there, you know. Up same place by the Crystal Star.
Yeah.
After that.
Yeah. City's nice road.
So basically, on this side you have first Columbus Road.
Yeah.
Right? So they don't really call that the first street.
Yeah, I must bus road.
I must bus road, you know. And then you have first street that a Bob Marley ends.
Yeah, 2nd Street.
So basically they name them first, second, third, fourth, fifth, but straight up on one side.
Yeah.
I got you.
So
Trench town.
Across, you go all the way up in the jungle, we have way up to, how much is that?
So going straight up, we go straight to jungle.
Yeah, all the way up to jungle. We have the Black Roses corner.
Jaja Noah. Yeah. Yes.
No, I go, you know, I go back for them side with them highlight.
Yeah man, we can walk, we just go and walk.
What's going over there?
Yeah, then I'm on. That's right.
So the boys are now on a renovation, isn't it? Can you say?
I renovate.
Yeah. On a renovation.
Man.
So we're not renovate right now.
Boy Stone.
And when you see them building there, you know, welcome to Jamrock video. Remember that video there? Welcome to Jamrock.
Over the same shoot it?
Yeah. I hate that. Welcome to Jamrock. Over there,
that is it. Watch your water.
So 2nd Street now.
Yeah. Manners.
This is the 2nd Street. So
That's
yeah,
our 2nd
some
Street.
type of Bob Marley drawing on the street, and you notice?
Yeah, I catch the guy graffiti.
We are as well, so they say welcome to Jamrock.
Yeah. Manners. I would be J. Yeah, easy. Outside. Oh, you mean? The mommy out there so I go and sell on the corner here. Mommy, we can't come video to a thing you go and hustle.
No.
We are afraid of man. You not to get your face, man. Mommy said no. Alright, now see a red, mommy. See a fish a scale over there. Jamaica walk by. Say me coulda come drop the first 5 bills over there, but you run me. You know what? But you know what? We video or talk to you, I know you run me. Yeah. We are trench town. See it then, man. Alright, Kobe. Yeah. Alright, massive, you know the copyright thing or so. We could ease off them mic. Yeah. Mommy not ready yet. Oh, mommy not ready yet. You see my bro? Piero? Now the beer. Come out of the nice, but we can't talk with the copyright. Respect. I want to promote it just. Let me see. Be nice. All of them bars. Hold on, let me see which one. If me even go between it, confuse the copyright. Yeah, go right or so. Again, we could just go and walk up. Let's see, I feed business. Alright. Big up yourself, Miss Pretty Girl. Thank you for that. Pause it the ferry. I go and talk. I can't showcase the spot. Come in and man, look how you're sweet and pretty. People don't want to see spot of you. Then I could sell off the business, no man. Oh, you mean? So right, so I wish I look how she. You when me pass me, I say, yes, look how beautiful ladies in Jamaica. Don't play with we. So, me see that nice you could spot, you're well decorated and thing. I y'all like that ends, yeah. So when them forward in a trench town and thing, right to chat, they look a beautiful girl there, can't spend on no money. Yeah. When you want to talk, when you just go and drink and talk. See there? What the name say?
Dream Chasers.
Dream Chasers, chill spot. Yeah. Right in a trench town, pan me and your son. You're on Instagram, my friend, me can turn up your Instagram. Yeah, my way Instagram go?
MG Williams.
Say it again?
MG Williams.
MG Williams.
Yeah.
So massive, you know you see on the screen our Instagram name if you want to heal her up and big her up. Or some of our long time schoolmate, they don't see her for so long. See her and want to say, yeah, I'm going to chat to good girl. Yeah, good girl. Yeah. So we're there right in a change stone easy. So one way you have in them, I see Punisher, I see Great Ray and Nephew, I see Dragon, I see Spurner Fights, I see Heineken, I see the whole works. Don't play with she. You understand? She have it right there, so. You understand? Dream Chasers, chill spot in a trench town. And that's the thing there. Circle the ends, man. She come out. You understand? Can spend the money.
So if I dream, you know, say we shall chase a dream. Dream team. So you have the dream team. They are so with dream chasers.
See it then, man.
Same dream, same way, still alive.
One unity. See it then, man. Big up yourself. Elbow bounce here. I have to turn up the place. One time when the art so clean, we have to showcase. So you see that general right so? The general say want to promote film business. You understand?
Yeah, man, a road runner courier service, man.
See there? Road runner.
So you can look for me on the Instagram, TikTok, all of the social media.
See how we are road runner?
Road runner, fully.
Yeah, so massive. You reach quick and fast.
Quick and fast.
So explain a little bit of what you do.
Alright, what me do still? We pick up and drop off packages.
Yeah.
Tax office transaction, food,
yeah.
Pick up and drop off, bank transaction, any transaction you need. All if you need, you can drop somewhere to.
Yeah. That is it, easy, just link you.
Link me, man, we go anywhere, man. We go anywhere, man.
Road runner couriers.
Yeah, we go anywhere to in a country, anywhere, man. The only place we can go across the water, because we have gas, we go anywhere, man.
See them, man, look now, man.
Ask her when them call. Yeah? When them call the number, what them say ask her? Road runner.
Road runner.
Okay, man.
See them, man.
You especially.
I mean, you
You will see
get
money,
man.
man.
Oh, I that more
like a small business. You know.
see, I that more years. I feel look a business. That is
you
it.
understand me? I send it me business and fear I can send to man.
Bro, I respect that
You
and I love the vibe there.
Yeah, man.
You understand? Go and do it and I hope the people them in a Kingston. So all I must see them in a Kingston. You want the food and you can't bother left there. Short road runner, man.
Road runner.
You understand? You can't bother join the line up at tax office. He probably have a link up there. No, just call him, no man. He deal with it, no man. Road runner, no man. Look on the cycle, no man. They think a joke thing.
And I
you
ride
understand?
a Trentstown stop, right a Dream Chasers chill spot.
See that him and the film business I get promoted and I promote somebody else things. Yo, big up yourself now, bro.
Chill support at the chill spot.
Watch the man.
You understand?
I mean Dream Chaser. You
Yeah.
understand?
Dream Chaser.
Yeah. Outside, drop your sit there, my bro. We outside.
I mean, there's something for chill pan there. On the spot.
As a matter of fact, when we saw we can avoid that get here, you don't do a thing go.
Yeah.
What you mean?
Chase the spot. Welcome to Jamrock.
So
Alright, bro. See the way that talk about.
All of the beer them after.
Show some across there, so.
After all days with my beer friend them. See the Dream Chaser chill spot right in a Trenchtown.
Yeah.
See then, man. We outside. Hear that? Go and do it here, my bro.
Rose around.
Well, on the man. Who that man? Famous people. We are run, go, man. Don't run, man. Jaja know. I don't even know self females. Where my run go? Alright, now see a word.
Rose around.
Big singer to it. Alright, my bro. Take it easy here. See it there. Dream Chaser, we so forward. So massive right in the evening and we just a walk in a Trenchtown massive. You understand? Yeah, night a come upon us, but watch out, we still a go through, we still a go and hold our energy, see them way. No joke thing. Yeah.
It's our street over there from 3rd Street.
3rd Street.
You know, down there so you park.
So massive, which part we did there one night here, hold the vibe where you sip on video, down on 3rd Street, yeah, so. You understand? No joke. Crazy end. We probably close the video down there, so I don't know if who ends that.
Yeah.
Look now, man. Yeah. We are go through Trenchtown. Yeah, 1 street, 2 street.
Street and then connect straight across.
Straight across. On the 2s. Oh!
Yeah.
I saw them deal with it.
Yeah, so you have CMA this up the 4th Street, go straight across CMA. And you have the 5th Street where you walk up there, so go straight across, you go. And you have 6th Street, CMA straight across, 7th Street, 8th Street, 9th Street, 10th Street, you know.
Mr. Kino, me wanted that to you early, you know.
Yeah,
but the rain. So massive, I apologize to that, say, you know, we're still there and we are walking through, but guess what, this is a different vibe.
Yeah,
you understand? A lot of person would have never get to see what Trenchtown look like in the like in the dust up, in the evening where, you know, it get dark and the people them outside now cook soup, fried chicken and fry and beer little things are going. You understand?
So it's a 4th Street.
4th Street.
Snap rice. Ah, mate, sure. Yeah, so it's a
4th Street.
Every time,
Yeah, look at the place lively, man.
Yeah, man. Becca Sprang, yeah. Another artist as well.
Artist this stuff.
Yeah, man.
Becca Sprang.
Becca Sprang. Big artist.
That is it.
See you, man. I have the original chicken back spot.
Yeah.
You know,
my bro.
Chicken back spot.
Right, that's up.
Roast back, fry back.
Shadow star, watch the
back spark. Yes, so. See the man himself.
I'm a feed the nation too.
Yeah, man, they eat chicken back, I think a KFC, I eat that.
When they eat beef chicken back, I think a KFC. Yeah. You're massive eaters, so they eat them back here, you come like a KFC.
Me not eat it, but that's the people them say. They don't say me not
Me love chicken back, you know. Me not go around there.
I'm a vegetarian, so that's why.
Sorry for your boy. I never say
I hear that. He says jerk veg.
Jerk veg.
Yeah.
So none of chicken already now?
No jerk chicken alone.
Oh, jerk chicken. Me can't see no sample, man.
Jerk back done.
Yeah, jerk back done.
Jerk back done.
Yeah, listen, man, evening just coming up, so if you don't already, who buy them also? Easy, man.
Alright, go on, to show you what I go on.
Yeah, John, no. The whole like chicken back done already.
Chicken back now run right now, man.
It's
and me alone have the link. I got me and Sarah.
Alright.
Oh, see that? Alright, no worry yourself. Oh, so just cut the piece here and then. Jaja know. A hot spot.
Hot spot this man. It's gonna last for
What the man name?
Bagger Johnson, you know?
That is it. I don't know. Big up every time, my bro. Go and lock it. Here, nobody want big up.
Well, big up key in there, them man ever be for the people in my country. You know?
See,
Love
then
that
the man.
everyone like them man, you see me? Help
Big
out
up
love
every
people.
time.
More respect and life.
See, the key now, I love your energy, boy. Trust me. Big up my boss.
Alright, hot spot, you know. When anything ready, you know, last.
Brother, night just reach up on us, you know, brother.
And
And you tell me, say, on a Friday, done.
Done already, man. Yeah, that chicken box case, but I
And they have a link.
and it's done, see you, man. Man. Well, this is how it is in Trenchtown when it comes on to the darkness.
I tell her, man.
You know, the place is live for like any main street.
A place bossy.
Place to see me with pride.
Yeah. Big up, big up.
So remember the spot,
yeah. For Mr. Johnson.
Yeah, see themselves.
Someone say right on 5th Street.
Right now, that's the parties.
Yeah, my boss. Who that? Turn down your music a little bit there, yeah, my boss. I know we have a chat, but tell us, me a forward, you know, man. How you mean? How you mean? So right, that's up.
Rich.
See the man, yeah.
To make this place like
Mr. Thompson. Yes, Mr. Thompson.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. See
Like I
the
said,
same sign. The man say have everything in there.
man.
From electrical item to plumbing to food to even blank CD, brother. See it then, man. Look, no, man. Remember right here, so Chris said him no want to come back here and he have a picture up on the wall.
Yeah, man.
You understand? Mr. Thompson.
Hold on.
Fire, where's your spot this year?
Yeah, international interview me there now. Big on the calls and water. Yeah, man, I don't know. Welcome to the place, I don't know.
So man say Mr. Thompson want a Chris big bridging, you understand?
I'm like how he's a man to your world, because it's a Friday, you're there.
Tell us me I forward, man, I saw me stay, me tell people say that me have, you know, so me have to give it, you know.
You don't know, you're there with the big man key, you know, because what if I take him to change down to, you know.
See then, man.
What if I house him get up? What if I poor people him get up? You see it, you don't know, bless the youth same way. See man key, you're not born and grow to, you know, now 1 yard, you know. Liquor. So you don't know, one link, you see?
Yeah, my bro.
I'm glad to have been at the place, you don't know. Come take a look in the shop for them.
Oh, you mean, hey, this somebody don't play.
Yeah, but come look at the store. Yeah, let me stay about shop a store.
A store?
Yeah.
You see,
take a look here. Come round up that, man.
Everything about, yo, but for sure. Him say, what, show it.
Place the whole world have to see this, you know.
Look, now, man.
Because I know the tourists them come visit the store.
Yeah.
You have water for them, I have beer.
Don't do sweetie.
All the Bob Marley have too, you know.
Yeah. Water, what about saying everything you have?
I'm nothing to something, you hear that?
And if your father want to drink out a cup of banana cup, see cup and sell alcohol.
Drive everything to get some
He said,
yeah, man.
Yeah, they can't see the glasses and they can see again.
yeah.
Engineer, man.
Yeah, man, remember me tell you, man.
And if you come here in a fire,
I'm coming to the snow time now.
He sell out clothes.
Yeah, man, the snow weather. When the snow come down December, them come.
A real general, he said, man.
Big up my friend,
Big
man.
up
I'm not
Mr.
crazy
Thompson.
thing. Glad to see you at the place.
Yeah.
I don't know a Trenchtown. I know a Bob Marley place. I know a Alton in the place. Because all the king come from here, you know. All the great musician, man like Delroy Wilson, man like Alton Ellis. I don't know, big up the Marley them, because for you say reggae, I don't know Trenchtown, Bob Marley, Kano, them man here keep the thing up worldwide. I don't know Mr. Thompson, you see?
Right by 5th Street. Look on the place, massive. Just look on the energy.
Yeah, man, great.
Right at Trenchtown.
Yeah,
you understand? We are 5th Street.
When them come, them try to get that.
Yeah. Specialize in
yeah, man,
food,
specialize. Yeah, tell them about Kano. I don't know Jamaica college the road.
Yeah, universal charger, thumb drive, earphone, radio, and DVD blanket.
You want me in the floor, come here, advertise on the floor. They just say, come start to me.
There's a digital phone card, phone card, everything.
Say if you have your house, you don't have no lock.
Business and money we say, no, we not say violence.
They also don't have no lock on it.
Yeah.
Bad luck.
Alright,
Him the squeeze in him padlock.
Yeah.
Everything.
So Mr. Tom, so what go on over here, so look like a food around.
Cook shop, bunny and restaurant. But I don't know how to run by Mr. Terror right now, so you don't know. We get rice and peas and chicken, with the lobster, crocodile tail, fish tail, all time, Josie, all time.
Crocodile tail.
So massive, I want to see why Chris did that pressure me and say, he have to go look for Mr. Tom.
They've got Mr. Christmas list, I met the thing you say that happen.
Yeah, big Chris said, have a power, right? That's also see
that.
that.
Man, make the world see me, you know, I know me, yeah. Leave up Mr. Chris, you don't know your picture so far. Yeah, man, the picture right.
Alright, that's all.
Mr. Chris Patterson, right?
Yeah. Big up Mr. Tom, so we outside. How you mean? Yo, Mr. From we are driver for Chris, I said, well, have to go link up Mr. Tom.
So the guys on the bike, bless the general.
Yeah.
Go back to themselves on 6th Street.
On 6th Street?
Yeah.
Alright. So this is 5th Street?
Yeah.
So big up Fire Torch, because first time I forward over here, so I forward 5th Street. You know, link up Fire Torch and thing. Camera one studio over there, so. Good evening. Yeah. Massive trench town in a night. Yeah. So on the house action for the real community vibe. So see we are walking our street with a real vibe.
In a night.
In a night.
Sorry, it wasn't in the day, but they get it in a night.
See that about key though.
Yeah, so sorry if couldn't get it in the day, so give it in a night.
So I mean, see how the next ends over this up. Right on the goalie side.
Light. You have the light for you? In a van? In a van. So I'm walking my name and bike.
When we get good sickness, you know, we can't go over this photo.
My foundation, you know.
Jaja, no. Neddy.
Hot spot for food.
Big up my bro. One Jamaica walk by, you understand?
Man, that's a more part, so you know, so everything sell off and get flat.
I don't understand how I go on with this Friday. Yeah. Night just touched down and everybody food done.
From what time you start, Neddy? 9 o'clock? 9 o'clock.
This morning?
Yeah.
Clothes and skirt. Are you saying live?
Yeah, man, right, true, man.
Pick up yourself, man. So see there? Fire blaze around the same way.
Everything you get warm, nothing cold.
Yeah, that is it.
Right now, you say all is well.
Yeah, man.
But
easy, looking tired today. What's wrong with that, man? I say hard work I go on.
Burn out, I eat there and I pay fire blaze in there, you know. Man, that's the general. One key, up, you know. What go on? Yeah, man. I just that around there, sir, you see me?
Yeah.
That's nice. One dream team, man.
One dream team.
One junior.
But see then one right on the ends just up. See then one. You mean? Hey, Mr. Dung, I said just get a different energy key, you know.
Yeah, man.
I swear.
Jamaica walk by, you know.
Yeah, man.
Everything sell off.
Watch out, man. Say, done.
Finish up.
John must have big up on yourself. I want Jamaica walk by. Is it my bro?
Fried chicken, stew beef, turkey, the idol, show piece, and all works. You hear that?
Alright.
Woke up from 10 o'clock, 10:30, you see it? Straight back till 6:30, you see it?
And when you come here, so you have to have patience, you know, because
Yeah, man.
big crowd, it's a lot. When you have patience.
So we can pre-order.
Well, yeah, man, you can't pre-order, man, you know what I mean?
And you see that pre-order, same way.
You see it? All the people have life to come here and just, you know,
Yeah,
check
man.
out the kitchen car, you know what I mean? You can see what go on in the kitchen, the stones have a building, so you see it?
Yeah.
One thing, you see it?
Must be right by the car then, man. Car then just pass back and just tap it up.
Yeah.
Chad will start.
Right now we're
So
up
you're
on the
in
next side of Trenchtown.
That way we walk?
Yeah, up there so we walk. That is 6th Street.
6th Street. Massive if I know if I for this man now.
Yeah.
Who wouldn't know say I saw the vibe stay in a Trenchtown because I would never walk come in a song.
Hush by the bar there.
I'm up there, son. Right up there, son.
To tell you the truth.
Yeah.
So this is 6th Street itself. You know,
Trenchtown coming to see me.
it's over the nether side of Trenchtown. And it's over here so look like IMOS bus road.
Yeah, right, that's all.
With the building them or them construct them and everything. Different. You know, so we used to call it New City.
New City.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Good day, Jay. I'm going Jolly Bus.
So we used to call it New City.
Mega Flex, what I want? DJ, what I want?
The vibe. Remember no fire torch, a fire torch normally.
Obviously come like the uptown part of Trenchtown. Yeah, we said obviously construct different. You see me? If it wasn't in the day now, you could see everything more clearer. You see me? You can see the outside.
I know me actually like this, you know, bro, cause I don't think me have no video like this. I walk through one community like this. Especially them at time now.
Yeah.
You know?
So the first phase of thing. It's a big mansion and the place here, man.
When me have been listening to Kino.
Eh?
My wife is a farmer.
Yeah, man, my cousin, man, Marcel.
So we just walk, we're there on 6th Street right and we walk through. I think you know at night, we're showing all the vibe in Jamaica in the night.
Oh, but let's go.
Now over there the music I play. See our next food spot.
Over there. Take care.
And then I play the music.
So you have a camera, you know your thing going.
Yeah, go for now.
Ale.
Yeah, alright, so massive, you know we can talk, you know. You understand? Spot.
We do the man with Ali and Adi.
Yo.
Liquor man,
come outside of it.
Liquor, you see it. We just see that, you still go over.
No, I look at the menu there for them.
Yes, alright, so don't tell me about the ends you know.
Yeah.
You understand? Time for advertisement now, you know, man.
See real man, I will do the thing.
Alright, my bro. So what go on cross us, okay? Yeah.
And do the maths. Yeah, retail. Yeah. Everything. Then you want your party, etc.
A selector, you know, so we talk like a selector, man, you have a promo, man.
Yeah, you know, you have the promoter for the thing, you know,
yeah.
Better than that thing, so you have to endorse it, is it?
Yeah. So basically, once you want, you lick up on consignment and
yeah, we get it right. You get your lick up on consignment, right? That's how you get me.
Yeah.
Liquor store, you get me.
See that, right, man. So from the Guinness to the Red Stripe to the Heineken, you need a liquor them. You forward on consignment. Look now, man. Look now, man. Alright, I saw the spot right on 6th Street with it. You see me?
Watch now. Jamaica liquor store there now.
Yeah.
It's a wide variety.
Yeah.
So I'm going to introduce you to a tour guide for tour you.
Yeah.
So key next tour. Walk with the key now.
Go that side. Go that side. Right that side.
Yeah.
Come in, Ali.
We are show you the settings for the
when you hear a word of Ali and Adi.
Should I have a light?
Oh, that's borrow the law.
Oh, hold on, there was small light.
You have it, hold on there.
Yeah.
May I make him take out one light?
Light?
Yeah. Got me have my light, you know, and that me charge up for, you know.
Yeah.
Me think me put it in the pouch. Me don't take you up. I mean, right on 6th Street today. Massive one under there, so I know that feel a different energy when I talk about. Yeah, man, if I have that, let me. Yeah.
From Spanish Town Primary and Antoine Alec of Spalding Primary.
Yeah.
What that pool?
I want to go on sir. How them gone?
Yeah, sir.
Alright.
See tour guide.
Watch your man.
Yeah, see builder, yeah. Them man are builder.
I want to go on.
See? That's so
Pool around here.
I'm alone on village.
Fish. Yeah, big
I'll
fish.
something on the neck. Yeah, man.
See, I make a fountain and beer things around us.
Yeah,
So like when you're ready to keep party,
Yeah, man, around there, so we'll keep back, man.
Yeah. Man.
Nice.
nice view.
Jens, man.
It's a finish up here. Yeah. Let's look one over that side. Look over that side and let's look one them. The duck, the dill them and the duck them.
So the general, the writer, so I build them.
Yeah, the builder that. Builder come make them know what go on, man. You do the maths, you know.
Yeah.
Builder do this, you get me? See that?
So you have some ducks and things.
Yeah, man, but the duck them, you don't know them have to go back on them roofs.
Yeah.
Building. Yeah, man, fishing them, man. Over that side of the bigger fish them there. Yeah, man, see builder, yeah, man, them man.
Jaja, no.
Yeah, man, them man build the place, you know. Them man
Builder.
build the place, man.
Big up the builder, no, man.
Yeah, man, the builder this, but I am do the maths, man.
So massive with the right behind the shop where you do, you can come for your liquor and consignment, keep your party, and all of them look chop there. Them runners are set up the place nice and pretty, same speed. You understand? You so look like a different energy where you can just come across and easy. The only thing we just run a jerk pan.
Yeah, see that?
Where there?
See jerk pan.
Blow that skirt. See jerk pan, yeah? How you mean? Why Keno, I'm not telling you like Trench Town. It's a different vibe for me.
Different vibe, man.
So massive see him there, Keno. So Keno Life in Jamaica, make sure so you go subscribe over Keno Place right now where I shot him go way up at the 50,000. Make him not even realize him past 50,000 subscribers.
The way it go work.
Oh you mean, man? Yeah, so massive.
It's different. It's a Trench Town is a university itself. It have everything in it.
Everything.
University have everything in it. This is how Trench Town is. From primary school, from basic school to primary school to high school to college to university, and when you graduate, so you know, so you learn everything.
See,
if you don't learn in a Trench Town, you're not gonna learn nowhere else.
Easy said.
You know? Nowhere
Easy
else.
said.
Fishing there?
Oh, fish over there, sir?
Yeah, so the bigger fish them there. Yeah, man, it's freshwater fish. They call it about freshwater fish over here, so them there. No.
So no just sell them or what them do?
Them not ready for them. A soon time for them. Them bigger now, you know. Yeah, so them there. All that freshwater fish.
You're a pump, man. You see a pump cancer. You see a pump.
Them man are build and them man know them also.
Yes, I know already the young man them born, you know.
Oh.
The mother born them right after the big one can't come up to eat them.
Oh, so then stay there till then grow up, look up.
Yeah, when them grow up, you know, them.
One or two, look up one. Yeah. So I have to build for them, and I have to them come.
You know, them man are build the thing, you know. Build the thing, you know. Build the pool, you know.
Yeah, I realize.
And we're there, put in the work, you know.
Yeah.
I plant all of them up here.
Plant them flowers and real.
Palm tree them are sitting.
So much to build like a pool in my backyard.
It look funky, no good.
Yeah, I want to build a pool in my backyard.
Yeah, fix it.
Yeah, because I want a pool in my backyard.
Tell the man how you use and do that.
Knife.
Knife.
I want to show you the views on the Simitula. That's the only piece of tool we use.
Yeah.
Only piece of tool we use, Metallic.
I want to see Ross, man.
I want to know.
Don't play him here.
Only piece of tool we use that mold them fast like a machine.
They're fast like a machine.
Look while I finish on it. Look while I this finish. Oh, yeah. See them?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty. One show.
One show is done. And a knife. We use a knife to do them one. And them small.
Yeah, man.
One show is done.
Yeah. The massive trench zone is a vibe.
Yeah,
so we're going to walk out back on the street and think, you know. We're
Come that side.
Which side?
That side.
Oh, we got the dog there.
That side, them lock up that side.
Yeah. Mama dream team. Oh, you mean? Are we carpenter there?
Carpenter down there too, you know.
Man.
Fire thing, you get me?
Carpenter.
In there.
Boy, some police shoot me yes.
Yes, my G. So you're good. It's a massive seat here, right at 6th Street.
Yeah,
get a liquor on consignment, top shelf. You don't know all of your favorite juice, them same way.
Yeah,
What's the name again?
Chevica Liquor Store, you know?
Chevica Liquor Store, yes. Right at 6th Street.
Them, all of the top shelf liquor, them, you can name it, you get me?
Yeah, man.
Moscato, yeah. Your Appleton, your NSA.
Party turn up.
Yeah, man. You just come here, so come get the consignment liquor, you get me? Chevica Liquor Store, you see? A one team, dream team, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. And not change, just the weather.
The weather.
Yeah. And then man, part of the dream team too, as him said, not change, so weather change. You see me? So you know the thing go.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, bro.
No teeth to laugh there.
No teeth, just borrow it.
Borrow it.
Yeah, man, the man there. For the liquor store, paying fathers. I'm a founder of this.
You never go up with that.
What you drinking? What you drinking?
Yeah.
I'm drinking white shade there.
Yeah.
White shade there.
Yeah.
And I deal with all my little blood them around me there.
Yeah. So we top it off with something here and there. Is it a boom?
Yeah, it's a boom, you know. But we don't want boom, no one in it there.
Yeah.
Don't feel like a boom in it there.
Yeah.
We're just drinking it there.
Yeah.
There's no violence or nothing. Love.
Love.
Yeah. Love we are dealing. And build the community. And say everything that is well with the community.
Hey, my talk for right this and soon
you know long way them youth are over 50 of the year now, you know. 50 of the year, man. Oh, you're 50 of now, you know. You know, reach it yet.
54, I'm 54.
40, yeah.
See, then I'm a big up yourself, my bro. Here, go and enjoy Friday, see? Yeah, man. See the bat machine. See, then I'm on 6th Street. Yeah, my friend, outside. Jamaica walk by. I can't get a little bit away at the corner. I don't have to catch you. Yeah, Jamaica walk by. Me actually there in a trench town and show them the whole vibe and the setting in a trench town with Kino, you know? Yeah, not joke. So one way as I see fried chips and beer things, so it look like you have a bunch of things going on at the night. What should they have? Lollipop, you call her? Woo, chicken and fry and beers, you know, man. What you mean?
Yeah, Lollipop over the side there. Him have the big link at the founder that.
Number one son.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is it, my father.
We have cater for the ladies that can't make them sit up. So she do a little thing, you know.
What you mean? See, then man?
Chief etc.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, big up.
Inside. Big up God Almighty, you know, because he put up on the earth, you know. You see?
Yeah, see it. Figure that.
And the next thing, we pick up on my birthday tomorrow.
Tomorrow, Earth Strong?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Blessed love on the Earth Strong tomorrow, man. You definitely live to see it. You hear that?
Yeah, man, real time.
Big up every time, my family.
And big up the one team
the
Dream team. Yeah.
One team, yeah.
See then, man.
Like them in a Trenchtown.
Yeah, that is it.
Yeah.
You see how Jamaica walk by there right now, have to showcase it, man. Cause trust me, Kino, we make it thing grow straight. Me not like, when she lift up the chicken a while ago, me get instant hungry.
Yeah, kick off, you know.
Me know me kinda did peckish, but when she lift up the chicken a while ago, me get instant hungry. Like me feel like I hear some more sample piece of chicken and beer things.
Sample it, man. That Trench one, you have a sample it.
So, you don't know, so here me I go do.
One spot, yeah?
Yeah.
Just be a business player that they can see.
But me a pretty girl and afraid of the camera. Cause beautiful ladies don't shine at the rule. We are hide from man. We go endorse this spot.
Yeah, man.
Look now, man.
Kenisha, this, you know, you see me not over there, so I have some there, have a drink, you know.
Yeah.
And she sell her special and etc. More times the first such a liquor across Jamaica place. Yeah, so you get me. When we there over there, so lot, we just come over here, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. They say them.
See that? As she said, tattoo time come. All of my skin pa my skin done. If you not done, you get some, go get some. Easy, so your spot.
Yeah. And I want man say,
So massive right at 6th Street, you don't know if you forward inside over the other side, and you reach over the consignment spot, you know. Yeah, if you feel like you want to go and drink some liquor right away, you can forward over here. So, Kenisha, any of say? That is it, Kenisha. You come out, why Instagram, you mind? Make you a shout out by Instagram.
Instagram.
Oh, she not use Instagram.
She keep it old school.
Yeah. Mad tick, me there.
Old school.
Yeah, man. My G, what they just come here. We are say, you want big up somebody, because I see all look.
Now, who you want big up? Big up who you want big up?
Alright, so massive. So Kino, what me I go do? I go just make way. But walk, go right round a year ends, I will just close the video around this, so yeah? See. Yeah, man. You want to send a big up, my bro? Big up to your virgin, my G. See them, see elbow bunks, yeah? Come in, man, that is it. That is it. On the outside, big up on yourself, yeah? Ah. See it there? Fire. Always I go, you always a smile, you know? Energy right.
Yeah, man, you can't screw up your face, man. I love you.
See it there? Yeah, Kino, you can turn off the light until we reach out. So I mean, just walk with the natural. Yeah, dark, but good. My friend, me a circle and me I go here. Come for piece of chicken there. I hope you're not done, you know. So massive, see there? We are walk through real community. That's why you see it looks so dark. That's why I say I use the natural light from my camera, because guess what? You know if you walk with the light and the light has just a shine, everybody see off all these big light and big things. Because you don't know, we're there in a Kingston, Trenchtown. So where community really looks like if you walk through it. The same natural light. You know, light over this upon shop and all of that. You see me? The light them will turn on over them house here and thing. You see me? Natural thing. What you mean? New city. So me I show them the natural look of the place look.
Don't see Nika. Hello, night.
Good night, good night.
I don't see Nika. Where?
I'm not telling you, I just love how the place look on the camera, the right temperature, the right look. So here, sir? Yeah, I want to walk here, so yeah. Blessed the Lord.
New city, like Portmore City. If you look like Portmore.
Is it a true, you know? It have a look like Portmore for true, you know?
Yeah, with the lanes and the sea and here. Body, you see, I try something.
Yeah. Up, chef.
I'm out, man, Dad.
Yeah, my friend. My friend, come introduce you to your channel to Jamaica Walk By. Come in. You go down card. You see I run?
Anna Maurice,
So massive, this is real community settings in Jamaica. Real community settings. See there? And always ask this. See there? Look now, man. Real. Mommy, big up yourself, mama. You're outside right on the front are easy. More love. Oh, you mean? Nice. John Star. Beautiful. Ah, Kina get some love. Yeah, man, no good though.
Yeah, man,
I do some here and thing. I Jamaica Walk By, open. You're not afraid of the camera?
No, man, so she cute.
Oh, I tell him every day, you know, say beautiful ladies don't shine. Beat up. Look, no man.
I want to tell you, a lot of these faces we don't see for a long while now.
For a long time.
Yeah, because when I was younger, we used to par over here. You know. And school days, you know, what them people see, you know,
man. Give them the card there. Why your Instagram? Give your Instagram a shout out.
If you have a thing called Jamaica Walk By, so you just on YouTube, so you will see me.
Yeah.
As I say, man, them face are going to say a long while. But as soon as I say them, you can remember.
See, you know, man. Why your Instagram?
Instagram, AliciaPretty.com.
Again?
AliciaPretty.com.
That is it.
So you can go star car.
Yeah, man, turn up our Instagram and go trouble. Big up yourself, man. Mommy, big up yourself here. Respect.
Alright.
We outside. Yes, teacher. She's chef, man.
Yeah.
Makina, I love all the people them. It can like everybody over here know what you do.
Yeah, man.
And that's one of the greatest thing. You understand? I love that, Kino.
Because most of the people them have to stop where nobody never really preach. You understand?
Yeah, as a young youth, bro. Massive to all of me subscribe. I'm gonna go subscribe to over Kino.
Life.
Kino Life in Jamaica. You understand? I said just looking at the description, you're gonna see him link. No joke. A great brother, you see man I walk through Trench and everybody I say, yo Kino, we love what you do, big up yourself. This, that, we love your Kino. Yo, I'm not joke thing, man, so I know it's a massive thing that brother you deal with. Yeah. No joke. You know, say from the first time Chris father Jamaica, Chris I tell me say want me and you link up.
Yeah.
And I say, Chris, God no. Cause when I tend to be honest with the amount of YouTubers me normally reach out to.
Yeah.
And me not nobody no link me back now, me get discouraged and say, no, me I go foot it out myself.
Yeah.
So when him father no want say we have to link.
Yeah.
I see it, yeah. I'm not joking, I want serious youth.
The link make man.
Yeah, man. Oh, alright, yes, I come back on 5th Street.
5th Street.
Yeah. Alright. Go up.
One way down and one way out.
One way down and one. Oh, over there, sir.
Yeah,
over here, sir.
Go down. The man with the talk over.
I'm son this.
Yeah.
Oh, in the fast, you want to run? You can run?
Can fast. A
ball too.
Fast them quick. Yeah. To the father that and to the son.
Everybody when me know name fast car and they can run, you know.
Yeah. But a football they play and use speed.
Yeah. And him no look it, you know?
No. Push it off and run left, man. You not catch him back.
Some soldier there pass through. Look at them correlling enough. What a road they look here, man.
No, but them always know, them always protecting, them always pass through. Station also, you know.
Oh, one station up, sir?
Yeah, man, right at 7th Street. We have 6th Street, so the next street was 7th Street.
Oh.
Pretty Dan.
Yo, that look on the corner here, man. Oh, lively.
Yeah, man.
She know pretty Dan.
If anybody see me that with a girl, let me just say, hey, are you the underage girl I'm dealing with? Where she look liquor though?
She look liquor, yes. A big woman though.
Big woman.
She hold up her head and look for me.
Young and everything, no.
Yeah.
But I say, no man,
Pretty Dan.
So she's looking up. Yeah, but imagine if you shot like...
Kid, away light. And then we can turn on the back.
Yeah. I smell nothing.
We outside.
Oh, that Miriam. I years a girl that shot them bum there now.
It's I saw she drop it.
Yeah man, Miriam man, she brought me out in a dance and somebody come on. Oh, this is Jamaica walk by.
Yeah.
Jamaica.
I'm gonna give you a card too as well. A card. So you can subscribe.
Naturally you're on a cream, you know.
A pretty hair girl.
Oh, Jamaica walk by.
Yeah. Outside. Outside. Alright, take care.
Dream team.
Dream team.
Wherever.
Wait, out of father.
Which one?
I come out of the music that we are playing. Mommy, big up yourself. Don't hide, man. If you are going to hide it, I catch you already.
So the roots man this, you know, so...
Why did you do that?
Bust up.
What did they for me?
Couldn't go put on the back first.
Kino, you better you boss me on that one there now. Why is that over there?
That one ragga, because you have to make a walk by in that place. I show ragga.
Can't see roots.
Go show you what going on. Come.
Ragga, we can forward.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Road building now. This is the road building.
Man.
Take off your...
Yeah.
Road spot. Come here, what?
I mean, hold on them bars. You don't have to move from yourself.
This is a road spot.
Yeah. Georgia know.
Original roots, man.
Yeah. Oh, fire. Big up yourself, fire.
Big up.
Yes, one blessing. One blessing. Ah. Oh, you mean? You mean?
So one to the buff stuff to the... What is your name again? Tough stuff to buff stuff.
Oh, stuff to buff
stuff to buff stuff.
Georgia
and when you
know.
drink that, it's that tough stuff. No joke. You start with that one there, Raga?
I line it up back,
So the man named Raga.
Yeah.
So Raga, you have a number like if person wants some of them where we are drink and all of that. Can call you. Yeah.
I show them out to the world and people call from overseas, you know. And them ship them off to him, you know. And them ship them off as well.
Number, yeah. Alright, see that? Raga 774-8348. You understand? So lig up Braga.
Yeah, man.
I am at the real roots, man. We then at the roots kitchen.
Boys Town legend, them man. Baller as well. Too.
Baller too.
Boys Town.
Oh, your main fire.
Legend.
But I still fit.
Yeah, man. Yes, so I'm telling you, yes, so you get the real urban stuff. Real. I'm mad at the fans, they never leave me out when them see me.
Realize as they see how I'm going to run. So, as soon as the Kino appears, good, you know. Good.
Bright and clear.
This is the Kino.
In Jamaica, you know, as we say, we are highlight the positivity, CME and the greatness, our community. Because he represents nothing but love and love alone. Listen to the stigma when you hear about the past and this and that. Right now, 2023, and before that, there's nothing but love in this and that, man. You understand that? It's all the way forward. And Jamaica walk by and pass by to see the real thing right now in Jamaica. Yeah.
You know what she get to me?
She get to you?
Yeah.
Alright, you see that? So on the program with the highlight him and somebody interested and him sending a portion of that stuff will give him, you know, because she have a kidney problem, right? And help her out, see him and she reach out back to him again, see him with. So you can reach out to him and to get the good stuff. You know, any problem where you have, see him where you can reach out and Raga help out that situation. You understand? Yeah. Raga himself, man.
So anything you want to leave with the massive them differently about you, like your Instagram, I see everything for you, Kino Life in Jamaica.
Same way, yeah. IG, Kino Life in Jamaica, Facebook, Kino Life in Jamaica. That is the one word, the one love, the one team. So
crazy.
Keep it one. You understand? Kino Life in Jamaica, one love, righteousness, yeah, man.
Crazy energy.
Pick up yourself, Christmas list, you know, real brother from another mother. You understand? And Jamaica walk by TV, another brother as well from another mother. We all combine and show the love and try to support each other in any way we can. You understand? And we are doing YouTube collaboration, nothing but positivity. You know, I will give thanks and respect to that Jamaica walk by, you get yourself, you are great people like we.
You
know?
Yeah, babe.
Represent Jamaica same way.
Big up Raga. We outside, see?
So we have the Raga, whether I want to name Raga, that one a blank, you know, so you have to be continue name, yeah?
Yeah, we are buying it up, so you know what the thing I was going to shake him up here now? Yeah. Outside. Yeah. You go yourself, yeah, Raga.
What's up?
Oh, we got back out there that street.
Yeah, I'm back here.
Yeah. There you are. So massive a crazy vibe and energy we are go down to here now. Crazy artists are going to perform, crazy thing are going to go on right about now in a Trench Town. So yeah, next time you see me, I just a vibe, I just everything. Zane, mad love, mad respect. No joke, let's do this. Yeah,
and you guys gotta
tell myself say me not touch but no more Garrison.
Yeah.
If me not have somebody good there. Me tired for man like brother want to turn me upside down and shake out my pocket them brother. Me can't bother them. That's why me just stay upon me and me G. Yeah, all that Trench. Me tell Chris say me not have all that.
Because some place where you going to Chris.
Me tell I'm alone and God go.
Yeah man, very dangerous man.
So massive. Kino lifestyle. You don't know a thing go. Kino life. But no, me always just say Kino lifestyle because not just saying that's what your name is. Yeah, but your lifestyle. You understand? So what the artist name again?
Jabber, Hot Feet.
Hot Feet.
That's what the symbol, you know, it push and fast. That's why I just tell Chris some more Hot Feet. But I driving about walk for me when I say come on my feet. See me?
So Chris there. So it's Kino Life in Jamaica Massive. That's the name of the YouTube channel. You see me I say? But majority of the things you know, most people hashtag and talk about you as Kino lifestyle. You understand?
Yeah, some of them say that and some of them say Kino good life.
Yeah.
Kino
you understand?
Jamaica.
Even when I talk about Chris, when I say Kino life, I say, yeah man, I'm seeing one as Kino lifestyle. You understand? Because when I do film thing out there in the street and bunch of things where I did in a film place, I just film lifestyle.
Yeah.
Yes, enough people you know. a Jamaica walk by now.
Yeah.
But you know everybody call me walk by. You understand? Yo, walk by.
You know, Jamaica always have a way of shot.
I see him here. You understand?
They have to slang them put on it.
That is it.
So they know it's a Kino life in Jamaica. No fun to hear the name, no might see the face now and realize that yes, Akino is himself. Kino and the dream team. So we have 1 and 2 of the members them there same way. You know.
Yeah. Me rate that girl that. She named Smiley. She cool.
Yeah, Marley. Yeah, a couple of them around there so see me.
Jaja no.
See what you have on this as well to Jenna. Oh, Rasta Jacks today.
Yo. It's a massive. This is Trench Town. You understand? We came officially to see the party, but Kina said the party now go on tonight. You understand?
Recess.
Yeah, here.
We have a different party. We have some artists. We go forward from a couple street down from Bob Marley Street. You know, I will bring one international artist. Hot feed.
Hot feed.
I will go all our vibes. Because we see Chris promote in any way we can.
That is it.
Can come to Jamaica and help out talents and help out youths on the rise, same way. But there's a talent on the rise. And we have a couple more down by Columbus Road and Bob Marley Street, a Walk Street, a come up here to start the beat. Almost one hot feed. I'm not learning from, you know. Yeah,
so them say them go walk up the street, but you don't know it's Jabert. Hot feet, yeah. We are like the street, yeah. See y'all them see Yana Allah. Them all out Jaja, Jaja, Jaja. Made the girl them see Yana Allah. Listen up, in my fresh white tees, Louis V, straight jeans, Nikes. That me a beat, yeah. The girl them love off the G, yeah. And some fresh and clean, yeah. Missy girl from Belize and Chinese and Japanese, yeah. Girl I come from the North Pole and I tell me say she damn cool. Just check out for the one the brand new coming out. You see me? INGP. Yeah. Video coming out soon, so check it out.
Alright, so at feet, give out the Instagram.
Yeah, at feet Jabert on Instagram, you know. I don't know on TikTok at feet Jabert to that's how we work it. On YouTube at feet Jabert, so just check it in and say Jabert.
That's
you see me?
It.
You know life work. You see me? We are walk by now.
Yeah. So massive, you know my style. You know, I'm not too cut. You know, so when time I video, I just video. Anything or anything. I just want to showcase the natural living, natural life. Sometimes people just say, yo, I see you two in a walk by. Yeah, but I always say, I don't want the channel be all about me. But it's not show me. Yeah. You understand?
Walk by the same thing they used to tell me as well. You know.
Yeah, they always.
Yeah, so Keenan must show yourself more. You see me? So we got the same thing in common.
Yeah, me normally, me never show my face, none at all.
They want to get the voice.
That's the voice. And me make everything else about the people them and what me a show.
Right.
The man them cuss me off and say, no brother, you need to show your face, want to see how. So, see it there? Now me in the camera. Me a singer to you now.
Yeah, true enough.
Yeah, man, me a singer to man. So, kid about for the spot.
See there? Am I singing, man?
Oh yes, yeah. Hear me now. I've been loved so many times, boop, boop, but I knew the score. Now, ease. I know me for this.
Ease. See there?
When they are Trench Town, we are going easy. When they are the bad artists, we are going to showcase a bunch of things.
Look more. Yeah. For the ladies, them, we always have to sing for the ladies. Cause I feel good. Look how the party full. Hey girlie, shake it good. You put me in the mood. I feel good. Look how the party full. Girl in a swimming pool. In a swimming where them looking good. Yeah, it's Jabert at feet. Yeah, I like the street. Yeah, so you can check out that one. That me and Europe do that one day, see me?
Yeah.
You know the thing, the party full.
So stay tuned. See that again. We say walk by. I give them one. Gotta talk by and sing by.
They know my style, man. Tonight I'm gonna make it be all about all I guess them. Cause I'm ready to just sit down and just sing as I sing.
Alright.
So with there, I can't stop singing.
So
yeah, so You don't know massive trench town. So Kino, here what me I try to do. You know me I try to do a tour of Trench Town Friday. You see me? So the first million views me get when me interact with somebody was a girl that me meet right out at the front of Trench Town down there. So she named Shy. So I've never really talked to persons on the channel. So me let me walk around 3 miles to go downtown. And me just see her right at the front. I said, go talk to that girl. Go talk to her now. I go to her and say, yo, sure, you girl say we have them beautiful ladies now, man. 360 now, man.
Them style.
Say something 360, that was the first time I talked about that like a slam there. 1 million views.
But I guess she give you a name, Shy.
Right. So with she now, they kill me. Say me need to go back to Trench Town. So I book her up today. I'm tell her, I say I'm gonna make me and her walk out Trench Town and sit. So you see all the artists here, who don't mind they can get the artists here Friday at foot. You understand? At feet. So we say on a 1 foot. At feet.
Blood flow to it though. About no foot in the fridge in a car that dead in. See me?
At feet.
Talk about live head and live feet.
No chicken.
No.
The people them say at feet, yeah. Hey, away you there in the street, yeah. Hey, I them there.
Hold on. Pull up. Here why me I go pull you up. I mean I pull up for one reason. It is great being an artist and every song where you draw, me hear the brother I sing them and I DJ them. So you see that tell me something, say a real support. The man now just say I'm an artist. He might listen to your song them and he might play them because I know them.
You are check in and ring the phone and tell me something there. So I'm just make the move from right in a Trench Town. From where? Sea View. You see me? Check it out.
That
you know
is
the
it.
thing going and a drama thing.
Yo Kino, you're real youth. Cause guess what? That is something me always cherish. When you have a bridge and you can go so boop and start singing a tune and your bridge and start singing. Yeah, it's a different thing. Like I said, blouse and skirt. Him not actually just rate me as my little bridge, but him know me sing them.
I listen them.
You know what friends me have not even subscribe to my channel?
I believe you.
I didn't even say to them, say, you see my last video, you don't even know which video will be attacked. Yeah, no joke. So cherish that my bro. Yeah man.
People them say at feet, yeah. Hey, away you there in the street, yeah. Hey, I them there. Yo, me have to make the rounds, yeah. Hey, some say wicked heart and bad mind for run where them for go when me step. Them come like a mat when me trample under my feet, yeah. Pan deep up on the reggae beat. And music so sweet, raging fire make this beat, yeah. At feet never hold back, hey. Could me them want hold back, them a chat in a me head back, hey.
Oh, bad, that is your bad.
You don't know the thing going a real thing and a drama thing.
That is it.
When I take push.
So listen me massive, listen me now. So next time I fall back, me have the light and everything set up and we are going to show the thing clean and pretty because you know night is upon us. So we soon forward. Look now man, Trench Town now man.
Those that need it, Kino's the man. You can't really see it's dark right now, but Kino's the man.
Look, Ian, yes, Green.
Ian as well too.
They say yes.
We have quite a few from them time as well too, you know.
Yes.
Because them say a lot of them from Europe, from Chris Muslims come up and say, Chris send me.
Yes.
Them even WhatsApp me as well too and say, Chris send me, you know.
Sandy said she got you.
Alright, so
Nutty Buddy said big up Trench Town. We're watching. Chippo,
Sandy. Chippo Dan.
Chippo's here. Chippo, you got to make your way down to Trench Town one day and connect. Look, we got the 2 YouTubers.
Oh, you mean?
Yeah. We got Jamaica Walk
One
By.
Jamaica Walk By. We're there.
We're there with Jamaica Walk By.
We're uniting. We're building our own dream team here.
So
that is it.
Right now. So we have a YouTube dream team right now. Yeah, we have Chris Muslims.
Yes.
We have Jamaica Walk By. We have Kiwi Life in Jamaica.
And we got Spanish Town watching our
we got Chippo Dan, the youth on the rise them as well too. So we are all unite and make this thing work.
Amazing,
you know? So that's what I'm saying, all the viewers and all the subscribers from Chris, you know, what I do, yeah, I help out the less fortunate and needy in Trench Town and around Trench Town, you know, cook food, you know, build houses, refurbish houses, you know, according to them situation. And everything is done true donation. Nothing is done without anything else but a true donation.
Yes.
And we have to always start remembering that to the program.
Yes.
And that's because it wasn't for them fueling our engine, continuing journey, we probably would be doing something else.
Yes.
You know, so I'm kind of help out a lot of people from the situation where they was, where they are now. You know, because we build about 4 hours from scratch.
Whoa.
Our refurb.
Amazing, yeah, man. You gotta see it.
Big
When you come
thing.
by during the day, you gotta check it out. Oh, look,
Yeah.
it's cutting me. It's cutting me out, the connection.
Yeah, the connection I was looking at kind of was glitchy. That's why I started recording.
Yeah, man, so Jamaica Walk By TV, they're here in Trenchtown, you know, and look for more collaboration, Kilinary in Jamaica and Jamaica Walk By TV. You hear that?
Yeah, man.
Jamaica Walk By TV
That
and
is
Kilinary in Jamaica.
So Kino, me have to cut you a little bit because guess what? You see where you just say a while ago about building the houses from scratch.
Yeah.
Tell the people them a little bit about that. Because massive, that youth are not a normal youth, you know.
Yeah.
And I'm a little joke, dibby youth this. That youth are in a Trenchtown for people them. As you can see, man, show them. He named them on the wall. You understand? So that youth have found a different aspect and a different concept of doing YouTube and helping people in our community.
Yeah.
So this a man build house for people them based on a situation. Trust me, if I refurbish or build it from scratch, him we make sure them do it whatever at all costs, just for the cause. You understand? So tell me a little bit about the program then. Make you see how people can donate. Make you see how persons can give a helping hand towards a situation. And make you see how much we can ease the burden and fly you from your subscriber we want, because your goal say 50 you want to reach right now. But we are going to send you straight up 100,000 a plaque we are dealing with. You understand? So tell us a little bit about the whole initiative of them project there.
Because basically, where it really start from, it's helping out a friend of mine. You know, them always say, you can't forget where you're from. I'm born and grown in Trenchtown, but I don't live in here anymore. But you know, so born and grown in a situation where I realize how people been living.
Nice.
So, over the years I wasn't here, I was living overseas. So when I come back now, I realize that more situations still remain the same. You know, so while it still remain the same now, me have a platform I was linking up with Jamaica Good Life. You know, so that's where I was first. But on Jamaica Good Life, it was more like what you're doing. But I like Jamaica, the positivity and the lifestyle and all that good thing there. So we kind of never really feel much purpose tonight when time I realize that, well, I have other people I can really help out.
Serious.
So I'm starting off with highlighting my friend. You know, a YouTube guy, once a video, you ask for help and you realize the situation the person in.
People will come and help,
You know, and I'm going to reach out. So that's what happened with the first video on Kilinary in Jamaica when time a video of a friend named Jinjin.
Jinjin?
Yeah.
It's a girl?
No.
It's a you, Jinjin?
Yeah, so I've been paralyzed for over about 18 years now.
Damn.
No legs.
Yeah, I remember that one. Yeah.
No legs and in the bed where I sleep and everything. Condition was so poor. I'm going to think no human being should be living like that.
See,
but as you can see, a lot of people live like that, same way in Trenchtown. So when they mention Trenchtown, when I put out the videos, people is like, you can't believe that people still live like that in this time of age in a Trenchtown. So when you hear Trenchtown now, you hear about Trenchtown,
Bob Marley and things.
They look for the tourist area.
Yeah.
You know, so it kind of touch a lot of people's heart, and them kind of say, you know what, we're going to donate to the cause. But what really interests the people even more, them donate the money. Them always say, I'm giving it to the to the people them on the program. Everything is transparent. So them say Angela and say, I'm doing Angela to Jinjin. So I'm come and give Jinjin the money and I'm counting in front of the video. And them say everything is transparent from there. So that kind of interests people, say, you know what, this guy got me trust. You know, and then I realize, so while I'm helping out Jinjin, there's so much people that come asking for help.
Yeah.
I want to go and look on them situation, Jamaica Walk By, I'm telling you, move me to realize that people live like that.
And this is something where you have to continue.
I have to continue because I realize that if I never do it, who are going to help them? Because we can't always depend on the government. You know, because them only can do what they can do. But we have to do what we can do as a people.
Well said, my bro. So massive, listen to me, everybody on my platform right now, hear the initiative and what this man is all about. Kino Life in Jamaica, you understand? So, me ask you, he want to reach 50, but at 100,000 we are trying to send him right now. Me and my way, if you got my 100,000 plaque, I want him reach quick and fast. So if you're not subscribed to Kino, make sure you subscribe to this man video. So right now we are going to showcase a little bit of the local corner and thing, because me are going to actually do an official video. One of them day, me are going to walk out the entire Trenchtown with Kino. See bad chef, yeah? Jaja know.
Twice, you know, you know, one
See then, man.
Yeah, the man say, man.
Hold on, you say, yeah, chef, where in there mash up now?
Right now, it's a pumpkin now, boy. It's a saltfish.
I want to see it.
Yeah, man.
We can see it?
Yeah, man, I can't see it anytime, man.
I want to see it now. Come, make us see it. Make us see a little piece out, because I don't know my style. So massive, and we deal with the electric stove, you understand? Hot plate style. So, what we see in there now? See, they say, just drop in the pumpkin. So, you know, say this is going to start. You understand?
Yeah, man. War chef is a man who cook a pound of rice.
Yeah, man.
And share for 20 people.
Yo, and a normal thing, some Jesus thing that in a bro.
Alright, actually, no. A long fish, so a 9 man it's cheaper.
Jaja, no. Me have wonder which you got the long way in the middle verse and then yo.
Start season, man, I'm coming to start shade, give the man them.
Yeah.
Easily. It work easily, one fish, so come 9 piece.
Oh,
yeah,
what?
Man, they get 9 man it's cheaper.
9
2
man.
pound of rice.
So we are planning to do that pumpkin tonight.
No, it's a saltfish, I'm going to boil for it and I'm season my pot with onion, tomato and you see, put some Caesar rice.
Caesar rice. Ah,
and this would have served for 10.
And see a piece of pear the right now. 2 pounds.
11 man it a share for.
But so
this time
make sure say Friday me show you know. Friday me show me I come right on the ends I see you here. Come check out food.
What time there?
Me I forward about in a them time there maybe about in a the 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, because I want the place bright and pretty. Alright, then by the time them there, don't care.
Of course.
You mean? All the youths them there. You understand? Yo, Jaja know. Right in the night.
And see you have 2 of the ladies them and see you have Esther from the team as well too.
Esther Light Bright.
And you have Moyet from the single lady as well too.
That is it. Where is a single lady a while ago? Wait. Whoa. Which part when she single? You can't sing. You go on. Yeah, you go on. Big up everything. My friend, I start to used to go. You know, this is Fabian. Look what I'm good. Fabian, me look on her and I said then, when I used to go to school with a girl.
She's here.
Yeah, man, big up this. Mad love, mad respect. Yeah. So with the party corner. No joke. So,
watch out me.
Say one Cristiano. Great Chris. Yeah, the data kinda go and move shaky, so that's why I decided to go to start roll the camera and thing. Because I see over 100 people on there and some of them that say about the glitching and thing. So we have a who this over here, so you know. You understand? So
Jackson.
Rasta Jackson. Give me a tune. Man, them say you're an artist, so I want you a song for myself now.
Yeah, give them something.
In the night, you have a trench town.
Right, cut out.
Alright, so come on, I don't know the dream team, I don't know Kilinary.
Yeah.
Brother and sisters, open your eyes. Brother and sisters, open your eyes. Open your eyes and see what I'm seeing now. Open your eyes and see what I'm seeing now. The dreadlocks love him culture. Him love up the golden rule. Victimization, discrimination, modern slavery. Down in a Babylon, modern slavery. Down in a Babylon, pitney down a yard, them a ball, say them hungry. Mama round the corner, I grumble with a bell and this a modern slavery. Down in a Babylon, modern slavery. Down in a Babylon, go to the shopper to buy some goods. The price with the goods, yes, the money couldn't spend at all. Modern slavery. Down in a Babylon, modern slavery. Down in a Babylon, I go to the store to buy some clothes. The price with the clothes, yes, the money couldn't stretch at all. Modern slavery. Down in a Babylon, modern slavery. Down in a Babylon, my father in a jail and him can't get bail. My father in a jail and him can't get bail. The modern slavery. Down in a Babylon, modern slavery. Down in a Babylon. Daniel side the stone, roll it in a Babylon. Daniel side the stone, roll it in a Babylon. Jesse Blackstone, I got tear down Babylon. The Blackstone, I got tear down Babylon. Modern slavery, down in a Babylon. Modern slavery.
Oh, get out! What you drinking? At the fire! What's in that cup, my friend? Atta. Yeah. Yeah, so watch you know. That bad singer, Tino. Hot feet.
Hot feet, stepping at the plates. Well, I've got no time to wait. Hard work is the key to success, man. Hard day, yeah. I'm never changed. The fire me keep on blazing. The Almighty so amazing. Like water spring, lyrics are spring. Hot feet I carry the swing I make big boom rhythm, yeah. Marcus hail the king, within. Give thanks alive, cause it's the greatest thing. Time is going, so I keep on rowing. Time is hard, so I keep on sowing. Hot feet in the street, yeah, I keep on moving, yeah. Whoa, whoa, yeah.
Melody.
Oh, 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 yeah. Oh, oh. When Marcus gave his son him voice, he heard from 1,000 miles. Him response for the past and the future child, the future style. The future child, the future style. See it, say, know the thing, gonna yo, walk by.
That is it.
That is
it. Got that?
Hot feet, yeah. We are like the feet, yeah.
Mad thing. Yo, Massive, I tell you, say.
You can check out that one, the brand new video just come out. What day I'm push out the video there. Tell me, say, you can check out that one up on my channel.
Right. See, no man, some Massive a trench town in a man. Yeah, watch how Chris just a easy in a man. Yeah. Watch it. I'm Yaka, man. Yeah? Soon, you know, big up some of them, my friend. You want to give your Instagram a shout out?
No, I don't want nobody to stuff for Instagram. But good night, big up on yourself, big up viewers, big up my one mother, Tamara Blackwood. Yeah. And big up Kino, one dream team.
That is it. Watch them.
One. No, I have my other mother, they care for me, but my main mother will birth me.
Ah, Tio. Yeah, that is it. Yeah, man, me can't stop video smile about it. Smile. Look, a rock store in the shirt. Yeah. Oh, you mean? Yeah, Massive. So, listen, I want to look out for the Trench Town tour me I go drop. You understand? This is just like a night vibe in a Trench Town, right on when a Kino ends. You understand? In a Trench Town. Yeah. Just a small walk by night, yeah. You understand?
This is what's it like in the night time in a Trench Town.
Yeah.
We have Jenna. See her here. One of the dream team member them. See her here. Jenna. Ball as well too, you know.
Ooh.
Yeah, man. Jamaica international ball.
Watch you cut off foot pants, man.
Alright.
Easily. Oh, you mean?
So this is the girl mother, which is her one mother.
Oh, she?
Yeah.
Boy, me da find it hard to believe, me da search for her, no find her. I mean, that's no one young girl.
Yeah.
I don't want big
Best believe me, a grandmother too.
Careful.
Yeah. Okay.
Careful.
Right.
You there on Instagram?
Yeah.
You want to shout out your Instagram? Let me see. Give your Instagram a shout out. You probably have a business you want to promote to as well.
Tommy Trouble 1.
Tommy Trouble 1.
Yeah.
Alright, Massive. See her there, Tommy Trouble 1. Yeah. Watch your shoes. Watch your shoes. Wait, no man. Yeah. So Massive, we in a Trench Town. And we are going to kick it with Kino. Look, no man.
The prefect here.
I prefect this.
Yeah, the prefect.
Prefect. Big up every time, my bro. We there. See it there? On the side with him there, man.
And the man have make sofa and the man have build sofa.
Oh.
The man have the talent to build sofa. So if you're interested in making sofa, you want to make an order or anything, the man have build it. You just come when you want for 1 seat, 2 seat, 3 seat, 4 seat. Any amount of seat you want, the man have make it from scratch.
So tell me now, if somebody want to reach you, how we can get to you? You can give out a number so people can call you.
Well, the number is here now. We just do a thing like this and we call out. Just tell them say 54 75 639.
Alright, so it is 547 5639.
Yeah.
Alright, that is it. So I might make the bad sofa them where you want, order them, and you actually just tell him where you want. So give him a call and just send in the order where I go through. What you mean? Big up every time in a prefect. Same speed. Oh, this is a nice lady we actually da walk with today. Yeah, big up yourself, mommy. Always. See, there you know the on Instagram too. No. You know, if you use Instagram, man, beautiful ladies are gonna roll out, man, come put up, fling up a picture and make a general like him, like them up, man. Big up yourself, Big Reds. Okay. Yeah, because you ain't getting name. Big Reds. You know we see how we see it at Jamaica.
Man, we grew up as a local youth, you see me?
Right, a big man.
Yeah, man.
Okay, you say, you talk about say, and then I grew up as a local youth.
Same way, man.
Yeah.
Because while ago, I feel one of him shrink, you know, but you go over the wall and come on, realize
are you? I get big. Yeah. So automatically the world is so big again.
No.
Oh,
dear. There's a way you shrink, but realize that me grow now.
That's true, man.
You look up like that man, big man. So we call it Big Reds.
Big Reds. Big up every time, Big Reds. See, that man. So it's all a vibe in that church. So here, my bro, and we work hard. We try to make sure that people them know about Kina way, man. Shot him go up 100,000 subscribers. You understand? Yeah, you mean? See, they are the dog them out here, man. Look now, man.
Max.
Oh, see, Max know his name.
Max are the dream team, dog.
Max, big up yourself. Watch him walking tail. Oh, you mean? Yo. Trench Town. In the night. Alright, massive. Look on the wide angle. See the people them outside, man. See, look up and look a princess here run down. They not go sleep. So we're there, massive. So massive, we're just there. This is just a short one in the night. We just a showcase what go on. And trust me, I'm a first link up with Kino, so you want to give him all of the highlight in him place and make you know say you want to go subscribe to him channel. Now see link in the description and in the title too as well. You understand? Trench Town is a vibe. Singer!
Only one spot. Say have more songs to Jackson. Have more.
Full of song, man. Can't tell. Because from day I drop two lyrics, I know I'm not hear repeat. None I tune them.
Alright.
None. You see me?
To give right at feet.
Hot feet. Chris, how you feel?
Feel good.
Yeah, that's easy.
Chris, I unite the people.
That was good, man.
Yeah, man.
My personal advice is you haven't seen this man perform yet. Because when when his feet start getting warm and he starts dancing, he brings the entertainment to another level that you haven't felt yet. Another 30 minutes.
When they rub soaking.
Give me laugh as well. Give me laugh. Give me laugh. Try it out.
A week!
He's warming up.
Yeah, he's full of talent, man. I said him tough.
Dancing. He's got some moves. He's gonna break.
Chris, he's surprised he knows that you live. We at Toronto could know them, man. I know everything about them. I've been there, I don't know, you know, Chris. Weird, you know, brother. John, no, yo. No joke.
At home, away from home.
Oh, John was star.
Jackson, I dance with him, cup and salsa. Jackson, show me cup and salsa.
When you have a dance, him cup and salsa.
And salsa. It's a pose with him, cup and salsa. Them after the ladies.
Cup and salsa. Boom! Yeah! Boom! Yeah!
And salsa.
Yeah! A wig! Yeah, Kino! In your place have a vibe, bro. No joke. No joke.
And welcome.
Yeah.
Jamaica walk by Trench Town, you know, for the first time. And I just say more as well too. You know, because we have a trailer company in Trench Town. Them big trailer there in a Trench Town.
Yeah. You want to give them a shout out? If you're not never sure, I never see name on the truck. They're so pretty.
Yeah. You know, Christmas bringing from early, you know, like a Christmas there, man. And I'm from Jamaica walk by. It's a pleasure having you here for the first time. And Chris again returned like the Jedi. once more again back in Trenchtown, you know, with us doing the righteousness. So it's good for YouTubers can come together, you know, we can make that thing happen sometimes.
For real, my bro.
Each other. You know, just like I want to see the music CMA, the man them come by and help out CMA. You know,
yeah,
I
man.
like Hot Feet, Talent CMA, I like the whole chef. The man who cook a pound of rice and one fish, share for 11 people. Rasta Jackson, you know, CMA, movie star, you know. So,
so any last words you want left with them before we go?
Oh no, there's no last words.
Alright.
There's too much words.
A long time I want to say it, you see me?
May I make you close the show now? Voila, me have to give you a close.
Yeah.
Easy. I close the program now. Make me here with Kino. Send some big up. All of them things there, any other future initiative where you want to talk about, we go close off with that and make my boy close the show.
As I said, we're not close. We are to be continued.
To be continued.
There's no closing. So
thank you, boss.
I thank the Almighty first. You know, put us together. I have to thank the extended family. You know, we donate to help out the people in Trenchtown and around Trenchtown. You know, because of them put this thing together so we can help out the less fortunate. You know, we have also thank Christmas list.
That is,
you know, for the highlight. You know, so people can know us from a different side of the world. You know, we thank Jamaica walk by now. We highlight the thing to another side of the world. So we keep on a circle the globe. So the more we can unite and do this thing, can make it work. And I said, united we stand, divide we fall.
Well said, my
dream team motto that. You know? So as I said, we don't have no last words. We have too much words we said. So I continue to talk to the camera now go end. You know? So,
yeah, you hear that?
United to fall as dream team and
united to stand.
Divide we fall.
You know, when I say, whoa, so we have Hot Feet, I go sing it off to be continue off. You know, so you think continue.
That is it.
You can check out that one, man. Unite my people. Unite my people, yeah. Unite my people. Oh yeah, oh yeah. We all need understanding so we can see the same. When I feel the pain and you feel the pain, we all feel the same. We all feel the same. You see me? So I don't know how you feel. If we all could feel the same, we would do certain things.
True.
We are walk by.
One.
You know what to do, you know?
Give them piece of the R&B style. Yeah, man. They know you have it.
Kino sending a request, so boss it, man. Boss it, man.
Alright.
Straight Hot Feet, man. Yeah, man, chicken feet, you know.
If you all the ladies, them who stand up on the side and even in them house. We're going to watch this and see what I go on. A Jabber representing. Me see it, man. Me turn my eye over the long time.
My God.
God's bright light, fancy restaurant, everything in this world that a man could want. Got a bank account bigger than the law should allow.
Man.
Still I'm lonely now. Pretty faces from the covers of the magazines, from their covers to my covers, want to lay with me. Fame and fortune still in fine, just a grown man running out of time. Even though it seems I had everything, I don't wanna be a lonely fool. All of the women, all the expensive cars, all of the money don't come up to you. And I can make believe I had everything. We just walk by.
Can't pretend that I don't see.
Cause without you, girl, my life is incomplete. Without you, girl, hey, your perfume, your sexy lingerie, I remembered it just like it was on yesterday. A Thursday, you told me you'd fallen in love. I was sure that I was.
Sing it, bro.
Been in the year, winter, summer, spring, and fall. Been without you, just ain't living anything at all. I could travel back in time. I'll pretend the days you were mine. Even though it seems I had everything. Watching a key now.
Wanna be
Yo,
lonely. fool.
You know everything get fixed. Now from your come here, so we are unite the people them. So we have to do it for the ladies then. Big up on yourself to the fullest. You see, so next week, come check we out up at Kingston Night Market. We and the bands are there when them High Point bands and you know the thing go. You see me?
Mad love, mad respect. Trenchtown, Kino, we're outside. Cool, man. Yeah, Chris, anything I want, sir?
I'm the only one sitting down. I gotta stand up. I'm having a good time.
You're having a good time.
Life is good. I feel good.
So Chris, that is it.
But I think before you go, we gotta. I know Mr. Jackson here has more. You got more in store.
Hey, Chris artist and talent this year. Yeah, give me peace, bro. Where's down?
Trenchtown.
I believe the children our future.
Yeah.
Teach them well and let them lead the way. Show them all the beauty they possess inside.
Sing out.
And give them a sense of pride to make things easier. Let the children laughter remind us how we used to be. Everybody searching for a hero. People need someone to look up to. Never found anyone who could fill my need. A lonely place to be. That's how I learned to depend on me. I decided long ago never to walk in anyone's shadow. If I succeed, at least I to believe. No matter what they take from me, they can't take away my dignity. Because I'm easy, my spirit in me. I feel it, my G. I feel it, yo. I mean, yo, I swear, brother. Yo, Chris, I feel it, you know. I swear to you, yo. Yeah, my thing. I don't know what they come to do, but I come to boogie down. I just keep and sing and shacking out. Because I'm over here, oh yes, they're feeling it now. Good boy, come and stand and shack it out. Get down on it, come on and get down on it. Get to feel it, get down on it. Come on and get down on it. I wanna feel it, get down on it. Hey,
looking at me, man. Big up every time. I'm a Jamaica walk by massive with that church sound. That's a little vibe. I'm gonna tell you, look out for the full video. Yo, brother. Yo, it's a love thing. And the love is real, so big up every time. We outside. God knows.
Get down on it. Only movie star, you know.
Yeah, so watch all the next artist in our place, you know. What the man name, me G?
Yeah, man, a Van Ras, you know, my father.
Van Ras, so I go and chop in, you know, say, all a vibe, so you know, say a vibe time, you know. Got you.
And the man are versatile, you know. Tell you about them, man are well versatile.
Brother, now make Christmas, make Kino blows and skirt, make me know that, you know, and you're gonna kill it, you know.
Alright, just kill it. Come on, just kill it. Time have too much.
Drop it.
Fuck my life, me just catch my best friend now. Fuck my wife from dawn till dusk till night. It come like my heart getter. Cut by knife, yes, it's just my life. fuck my life. Me catch keynote, fuck my wife. From dawn till dusk till night. It come like my heart get a cut by knife, yeah. She suicidal, she fucking Al-Qaeda. This look a bitch, she fuck my friend for the bribal. Yeah, she praise the money like an idol. And that's why every man a fuck my girl. And when she flow, yeah, she flow like a tidal. See the money and I jump like revival. Me tell her say that girl is suicidal. Tell her say that bitch is Al-Qaeda. That's why I say it's just my life.
Yeah, come back, artist. Come in, artist. How we are run, come on. Well, man, that's so personal, you know. Mine, you know. Yeah, that's so. Give me another one. Yeah. Wow, next one. Yeah. Easy.
She make the bed ball. She give me head dog. That girl a dead dog.
No, stop it! Me not tap, go on again.
She give me one knock, I never tell myself in a cough. That girl just a boom pan the cocky till she drop off. My love when she wine pan the cocky till it pop off. A pussy at the jail and my cocky well lock off. He married her then divorce her. She am a real bad bitch, she am a prone star. That girl hot like a fever, rose her. She put the cocky in her mouth and it a choke her.
Yo, when they are church down, easy. Yo, where's another one?
Alright.
It not stop there, so.
Every girl wind up your pum pum, jiggle up your pum pum, shake up your pat up your pum pum, wind up your pum pum, jiggle up your pum pum, shake up your pum pum, pat up your pum pum. Her pussy make my cocky happy like happy eyes. She name off the cocky like happy eyes. She dead when the 12 gauge shotty rise. Here she a ball, me a tell her for stopping eyes. She a moan and groan, I say the cocky nice. A ball load, say she love the big cocky size. She a slim as but the pum pum a fatty size. In her tight pum pum a where the cocky slide. Wind up your pum pum.
Boom shot, that is it. How you been? Yeah.
Ready?
Outside.
Alright, steady. This chicken head got me feeling bad. Give it the pussy, get me steaming mad. Say I mean she love and everybody she a fuck. Coming like she praise the devil, no believe in God. Yeah, this batter's got me steaming mad. Give it the pussy, get me feeling bad. Say I mean she love and everybody she a fuck. Coming like she praise the devil, no believe in God. Hey, but for me get her, she never want me left her. Her pretty face mash up my meds, it make me deaf her. That girl a wicked, coming like the devil make her. And me go soft when I know me show the pet her. It's like a bet in a life show I'm a set her. With big house, fan land with fancy car. I'm gonna set my mother yet, I will take her. Me get her both house the box nearly there far.
Jamaica, easy. So come here now, artist. What the man name? Hold on, who are your IG? Hold on there, artist. Vanras, come, give me Instagram and thing. How the Instagram go?
Yeah man, a Vanras 4 in there, you know, VAUNROSS number 4, you see me?
That is it, mad thing. I say, yeah.
Yo,
we got that.
DJ Sniper, you don't know. Trenchtown, you don't know. So me love my fatty, so me need my fatty. Want my fatty, so me need my fatty. Need my fatty, so me want my fatty, say fatty, you don't know. When you the panty bed, you a pop it down. I'm me not $10, me have to put on me condom. I just start flicking it in the room down.
We got it, alright?
She's an artist, but shy, but me want you, John. I want the blood clot this. Yo, I'm about to get a link up.
Run the rhythm.
Lifestyle, man. New contact.
Yeah, John, want video somewhere now.
Lifestyle, man.
Artists roll out like crazy.
TV right now.
John,
Walk by, talk to them.
So massive. Yeah. I man said new contact.
Yeah, man, that the girl in my ball for straight, man. You hear that? Cause some of the man them not text the girl them. You know, them not text the girl them the time when the girl them want them text them. Them a sleep, them have other attention for the girl. So the girl them a ball for new contact. You get me I say? Text the boy and tell him go along. Him find girl, tell him you find new man. Bring, say that brings, so the brings chuck a one dirty up.
Bad thing. Here we go, give out the artist name them see you here.
Drops boss, you know, you don't know. You
Drops boss.
all block for me. You hear that? Net, you don't know. Fuck this girl on the net. When you reckon you don't know. Get the pussy like a bug. You hear that? One ring. You hear that? Code up.
That's how we learn.
Yeah man, I don't know how ingenious brings. So we there, we are telling say you can find me on YouTube, Instagram, anywhere you want to search for INGENIOUS brings. Anywhere on any platform. Yeah man, I do I get them man. I don't know, but they represent for Trenchtown. One brings music.
Trenchtown.
Boom.
Social media platform.
Yeah man, one J brings man on Instagram here. And one J brings music on TikTok. And one J brings on YouTube. You see, J brings. Everywhere I do one.
Give them a message. Remember, when you look for our face, you know say a 40 ball at top. I say 40, we need 140 brings. You understand? Any platform you can find me. The number 40, you know brings for already. And the brings to carry money. That is it.
Yeah, give away already. What? Yeah, me never get to you.
No man, you get mine man. I ingenious this. I pay money.
Oh, see me, yeah.
Yo, G again. Boy, vex stream, baby mother get there. One brings a king in the scheme, yeah. One bum buckler, top scat, man. Everywhere, top scat, everywhere. Everywhere, bum buckler.
He got that dog. Got my one brings they have to take over the world. You hear that? No, that thing. You hear that?
They say
energy crazy.
Walk by, man. You know
that is it.
What you mean? One brings they have to take over the world.
One Jamaica walk by.
More time more simple and easy. Your teeth and your jeans and your clothes. Every big woman want 20 net. 22 and me have more than 23, yeah. All of them I wonder where we style and we stays there. Yo, G again. Boy, vex stream, baby mother get there. 40 a king in the city, yeah. If you see me with a city, no one she and me. Nobody. That is how we want. I show it up,
You know me that. Don't see the blue face, no, I got time. Steve brings, I don't know. One brings outside, any other brings, I bring some. No pussy then. After that.
That is it. Trenchtown. Crazy. When I run, go. It's a vibe, it's a vibe, it's a vibe.
One good life.
I never be a criminal. Markets and hard in a state like Subaru. Yo, Pikachu, roll up the name of over that the killer foot. Man, get a rush to white all, red blue. That here, I be one roll with a bigger king. Pass at them in a look, straight out the killer. What you say?
Yeah, easy, I will have vibe, Yeah. And everybody alright, roll with book of fear, need a flight. And I see once I get drunk for the night, I'm be a killer there, I'm Bobby. Could I be one party? Alone me, girl, I swam me. Be with the killer, say she want to fuck a nigga way, I clap 7 fingers. And a liquor, see and don't in a move, don't sort in a egg, girl, you know it,
Watch me the massive, hear me the man, listen me the man, right now within a trench and everything, it's always a vibe. Yo, it's always, yo, that is it.
I wanna talk by you know.
See then a man, so the artist then roll out, it's just a crazy energy and big things that happen right now. You don't know trench, don't know one name, Laka. You understand? What me say? Girl, them say, new contact. But I might choose that. Yeah, we just hold up on that one there and I say,
Let's say one again. New contact.
New contact.
New contact. No, I hear the second verse. I'm gonna tell him the second verse.
Yeah.
Listen, McKenna then. Hey. See, Amadia just text me. Said she get me number from Lexi. But Lexi was one of my besties. Now the link change, replace her with Chelsea. I wear the rascal, this about 3,000 girl in my WhatsApp list. Karen just text and say, send me this now. I become a tell me say we broadcast it. With a new contact, new contact. What you want? New contact, new contact. What you need? New contact, new contact. Even I get it on the gram. With a new contact, new contact alone. I have something for the next girl, let me know. The one named Certified Dolly. Listen, my mom's them. Listen me, alright. Some say Certified Dolly, yeah, you that. Borrow girl clothes and you do that. And no boy can't take you for eat that. No post no junk in clothes pan the media. Cause why? Look good, I must you. No fucky your body count adjust to. A boy attack and I say him not trust you. Tell him for go ya train couldn't get fit. Cause you a Certified Dolly. You no fuck 35 smarty. No follow what's your name, she a certified scabby. No walk and beg girl. Bam 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 bam.
Yo, massive trench down now, lekker. You understand? Right, that's how she said that straight. You understand? So when they are outside, you don't know Kino there, we just go all the vibes, see them when they play.
Anything of new contact. New contact, they know everything new, link, everything in contact. Yeah, man. In Jamaica, just check that. Yeah.
Remember on the subscriber for that, they subscribe to Kino Lifestyle.
In Jamaica.
You understand? So the man roll out all them artists bridging them. You see me? Many more. A theme place. A theme place. Artist for artist. You don't know. Mad vibe, crazy energy. You hear that? Yeah.
Art feet, yeah? Art feet, you can't touch her with him, yeah?
You rock my world, girl. Oh yeah, just like a rocking chair. So happy when you up there. You rock my world, girl. Oh yeah, just like a rocking chair.
Mad
so happy when you up there. First time you give me that stare. I know. So much things we should share. You know. Baby girl, I do care. Hey, for you I'll be there. Hey, this loving is true. No matter what they say or do. You rock my world, girl. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah. You can check that out on the Spitfire rhythm, you see me?
Man,
BS from TOK, put out the one there. So check it out.
Bye! Hot feet!
You could do it for the ladies then. Here we go. One, you like a dream come true. Two,
easy.
You know the thing.
New contact. Crazy vibe. We're outside. Massive, no joke. All the youths them there. You want shot a big up? No. How are is that? Are they grip this? Yeah. Smiley.
Happy nice, change it, happy eyes, happy life, family nice. Looking at my eyes, poured up full of lies. Girl want deep throat, yeah, that's the choice. Say she full of vibes, full of pressure me apply. She went to her knees, watch tight, tears of cup. Hey, you think of that? From a puppy pill, stacking up a bill, ready for the kill. Not quarter, we put none of the grill. She tell me say me sin, tell me say me skill, tell me I win, not lie. Yeah, she love how me living, she ready to give in. Right now, anything or anything. She fuck on her husband, hide the wedding ring. Give me the pin and everything.
Why? Because we cheap chopper with the 7-seater in my drift that. Girl on the front seat, she a sit back. She no smoke every day, she only lick. Cock-a-matic a sip in her pretty print frock. A bad man, she looks so me bust me cheek glock in her mouth. It wet, she love the slip slap. Slap her head, so lie back. Watch your style. Watch your style, yeah.
Top Scott. Oh, we deal with the planet. A girl from Spain and Japan and Paris.
Bam, bam, bam. Yeah. Yo. All about the vibe. So massive, it's all about a vibe. You don't know, Chris Bridget just found in the place and thing. And we just there go and kick it and I go and do it. You understand? So yeah. Outside. You can't see any truth or anything. Silhouette. It's big singer at home.
Take motherfucker, you wanna do me line. We gonna stick by my side, but I do me line. They good pussy vibes, you gonna never make me come inside. That time, yes, say, oh my clean, so let me follow. Fresh in the streets, I'm in icon. You drop my money, never try. Don't send a size up, we style up. Tell them get them money, get them pile up. Any remedy, tell me to get a wine up. Yo, what are them all in the shit? That Michael, me clean in the streets, this my clocks for my feet clean. Saying off your ass if the whole team clean. Yes, see, free money for my GG. Thugs them say we out when they need sleep. Yeah, I feel them yellow say shit. I who that man them need me. Me fuck nigga then chase it. Now we are clean fit, I clean fit. What she say? She has said I'm a clean, so let me file up. Fresh in the streets, I'm a Nike. Yeah, the chop of money never died up, so the size up, my west side up. He said no, I'm good. Let them get the money, get them pile up.
Alright, what go on? Yo, watch you make me walk past them, know what I mean? Fly past, fast in the athlete, smoking out on my car. Be a gal I link yo, and it never break ya. 49 pink shades, G9 dark glass. Fuck up the place, I left it crowd intense. Never try to the flow, but we are make the difference. When the energy low, remember who give us strength. Still I go for the goal, I make it better, my friend. Tell me from the patient, brother.
Lift up your rhythm.
No!
Give me rhythm. Give me rhythm. Give me rhythm.